Yes, yes.
Well, item number 54, madam. With due consent of the petitioner, the matter may pass over for appeal. And for respondent to entry.
So you haven't filed any affidavit for justice service.
I'm appearing for on behalf of Mr. P. Das, madam. He's out of state.
Right, on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not opposed by the other side. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
All right.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship.
16,
Lordship, I am led by Mr. B. Shinna. My senior is having some difficulties today.
yeah, Mr.
R. Islam.
On the prayer of Mr. R. Islam, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not opposed by the other side, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, next week, any date, Lordship?
2 weeks, after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
2 items, 15, 16, or no, 16 only. 16, yes, yes.
Be pleased. I beg to mention item number 49, my lord. I on behalf of AK Purkaisto, he's ill, my lord.
Hmm?
He's out of station, maybe pass over for that day, my lord.
Yeah, Mr.
AK Purkaisto, he's out of station. my
Your
lord.
name, your name?
A.N. Ahmed.
Mr. So-and-so, A.N. Ahmed.
A.N. Ahmed.
A.N. Ahmed, the London Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Pulkaister, submits that Mr. Pulkaister is out of station and therefore prays for adjournment of the matter. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 58 of the supplementary.
50?
58 of the supplementary list, your lordship. Lordship, I am appearing for the opposite party in this interlocutory application, lordship. Lordship, I may be allowed 1 week time to file the objection in the present interlocutory application filed by the applicant, your lordship.
Well, like, heard
Eh,
Mr. So-and-so, the London
H motion.
Council appearing for the respondent. He submits that he would like to file an affidavit in opposition in the instant I. Therefore prays for 2 weeks time. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, if I may pray for a date, your lordship.
2 weeks, after 2 weeks. Yes, Mr. Saikia?
My learned friend is.
Yes.
With regard to item number 32, Lordship, with supplementary adjournments to be to your Lordship.
32.
Lordship. Lordship, may I plead the matter may come on 38, your Lord.
30.
30.
Yes, no difficulty.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. N. Gautam, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not opposed by the other side. Which is not opposed by the council for the other side. Let the matter be listed. When do you want it? 30th? Let the matter be listed on 30th. Mr. Saikia is appearing for.
Yes, I am appearing for the Oil India Limited.
All India living. Mr. D. Saikia, the learned counsel. You are appearing as a counsel,
As a senior counsel.
as a senior counsel.
assisted by-
The learned senior advocate appears for the respondent.
Deeply obliged.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 47.
47.
47. In this matter, I'm appearing for respondent Oil India Limited.
Yes.
We were supposed to file an affidavit.
Hmm.
The affidavit is ready and we are filing it in the course of the day or maybe tomorrow, lordship.
Okay.
After 2 weeks, if it comes up,
Okay.
I have the consent of the other side, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. A. Sharma, the learned counsel, appearing for the respondent. Appearing for the respondent.
Respondent 1 and 2, Oil India
Respondent
Limited.
1 and 2, Oil India Limited, prays for some accommodation, which is not objected by the council appearing for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
They are same for a date, man.
2 weeks.
Second week of May, lordship.
14th, on 14th, let the
14th of
matter be
May.
listed on 14th of May.
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, it may come up for admission because all those parties are there, my lord, and already there is order to.
Let the affidavit come. I mean, it is already listed in the admission only. It will come in the admission only.
Admission only.
It is already listed in the admission, so it will be listed in the admission only.
Oblige, your lordship.
I beg to mention item number 14, my lordship.
Item number?
14. This matter may be adjourned for today.
Why?
Some personal
Hmm?
difficulty.
Affidavit and reply was to be filed.
It is ready, filed in within 2 days, madam.
No, you have already taken time two, 3 times occasions. And it's a small matter, it's lying about just for the thing.
Not, that's why we are unable to file the affidavit.
This is a small matter and the only thing is that you need to, respond to that. You are not responding to that. Huh?
I informed the petitioner, but he is not come. That's why I am not come. Affidavit is ready, madam.
Okay, MS R. Begum, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that affidavit in reply in the instant case is already ready and the same will be filed in a day or two. And therefore prays for some accommodation. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
There is an interim order.
Interim orders are passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. You file it.
Yes, madam. So I informed.
It's a small matter. Unnecessarily it is being dragged.
Lady,
Yes, you file it. Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, item number 9, 10 and 11, your lordship. With due consent of the other side, I beg to mention this matter to be listed after 2 weeks, your lordship.
Wherever the affidavit is not filed, let the matter, I will not adjourn it like that.
Lordship, but
You'll have to,
this is
let
after
the
2
matter be,
weeks.
let the matter become, let the matter be listed because you have not filed the affidavit for many
Lordship,
occasions.
I need time.
No,
to
no,
file
no,
the
no, no,
affidavit,
let the
your
matter
lordship.
come, let the matter come. Wherever, whoever is making mention that affidavit is not filed, let the matter come. We'll see the matter
Lordship.
whether matter has to be adjourned or not, that will be decided when the matter is called for. You will not file affidavit for many occasions, then you'll mention it, it will not do like that.
Oblige, your lordship.
Let the matter come, we'll decide.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Wherever affidavit is not filed, please don't mention. If there is some, the counsel is not there, there is some difficulties, you mention it, that is fine. But if affidavit is not filed, don't mention it. When the matter comes, then we'll see.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship. I am for the petitioner, and we have taken consent from the respondent side, and the matter may kindly be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
Your name?
US Bora.
Say US Border, the Land Council appearing for the petitioner. Submits on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, which is not opposed by the council appearing for the respondent. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim orders are passed earlier shall continue till the next.
Lordship.
Wait, please, lordship. Item 25, my lord. We have filed in advance
Yes,
mentioning slip, my lord, with
Yes,
consent of
yes,
the
yes.
other side.
On the
2 weeks,
prayer,
madam.
on the prayer of Mr. P. Mohanta, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not opposed by the council appearing for the other side. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
The interim to continue.
Interim orders are passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Wait, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 46, prayer for adjournment.
You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for for the petitioner side.
What is your name?
Ereka. I'm representing SH Siddharth.
On the prayer of Mr. A. Deka, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not opposed by the other side. Let the matter be fixed after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33, my lord. In this case, my lord, TCR was called for, my lord, which is not received, my lord.
Okay, item number
Reminder may be issued.
33, right? PCR in the instant case has been received. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord, can it be listed on next week, my lord?
After 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, lordship, for the timing pass over this matter, my senior is on legs in court.
No, this is including, I have no objection.
Completing matter,
Completing.
we'll allow it. We'll allow it, okay? You were there in the case? There you are not filing any IA. So you would like to file an IA because you'll have to file an IA probably. The case to about case. Heard, we have a name?
A.R. Das, Lordship.
Heard Mr. A.R. Das, the learned counsel appearing for the applicant in IA, IA number 1162026. And Mr. S. Bora, the learned counsel appearing for, you are appearing for
Sole respondent, ma'am.
sole respondent. Full stop. By filing this, the instant IA, the petitioner is praying for implement of Mr. Chinmoy Prakash Pukan, Commissioner Gauhati Municipal Corporation in the connected contempt case number 549 of 2024 due to the transfer of erstwhile commissioner of Gauhati. The prayer for implement is not objected by the learned counsel appearing for the respondent. In view of the aforesaid, the instant the prayer of the applicant is allowed. Then you write the petition self-filed and amended. You file an amended cost title. File the amended cost title.
Already filed, Lordship.
Already file amended cost title. How can you file amended cost title already?
It is the IA, my lord. You will have to file an amended cost title.
I will file.
Yeah, we'll file an amended cost title in the connected contempt case within a period of 1 week.
2 weeks, Lord.
Within a period of 2 weeks, okay. The instant I is disposed of.
Much of.
And item number, item number 2, you write that the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that you would like to file an IA for amending the cost title in the instant case. He prays for 2 weeks time. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. Mr. S. Bora, the learned counsel.
Sole respondent for both
For the sole respondent is present.
Much of.
So the matter pertains to cancellation of arms license, my lord.
Yes.
A non-prohibited bore pistol, my lord.
My lord, we have received instruction, my lord, we file affidavit within 2 weeks, my lord. We'll file affidavit within 2 weeks, my lord. Instruction was
Otherwise,
issued
the
earlier, my
matter
lord.
pertains to 2018,
Yes, my lord.
but an affidavit would be necessary. my lord.
Somehow, my lord, it was not filed, my lord, we didn't file, we'll file within 2 weeks.
18 matter, a
Yes.
small item, I
Yes,
mean,
yes, my lord.
arms license cancellation.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. P. Mahanta, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M. Chetia, the learned government advocate. For the respondents, Mr. Chetia submits that he has received the instructions and would be filing the affidavit in opposition within a period of 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Deeply, my lord.
You file it, I mean,
Yes,
it can be
madam.
disposed of, I mean, unnecessarily
Yes,
getting
madam.
dragged for such a long time.
Lord, here in this case, my lord. Assam Board of Revenue, my lord. Passed an order against me, my lord. That was expurtive order. Against that, I filed review, my lord. That review was not allowed. Then we are before your lordship. Now, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, there is a legal question arises as to whether the revenue board sitting in single bench, my lord, interfere with the appellate order.
Readings are complete in this case.
Yes, my lord, readings are complete. So, my lord, it is a legal question, my lord, your lordship will consider that whether Assam Board of Revenue.
The last order says that affidavit has to be filed.
My lord.
I'm bringing on record certain documents. You haven't filed affidavit.
That affidavit is ready, my lord,
but
we will be filing within a day or two.
Because affidavit will be required in this matter.
My lord, yes.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. So, my lord, a short date may be given, my lord. Affidavit is ready already.
Okay, heard Mr. M.A. Sheikh, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. P.K. Medhi, learned counsel, appearing for the state respondents. Your name? So and so for respondent number 6, your appeals. G. Hazarika for respondent number 1. Mr. B.J. Mr. Talukdar submits that the affidavit in the instant case is already ready and he would be filing the same within the course of the day.
No, within 2-3 days, madam.
He would be filing the affidavit in opposition. He'd be filing the affidavit, bringing on certain materials, certain relevant documents within a period of 3 days, within a week, full stop. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Well, one thing, whether respondent number 6 is willing to file a affidavit.
6, you are filing an affidavit?
That may be recorded, my lord. And otherwise, my lord, another date will be taken.
You have served the copies, no? Copies,
Yes, my lord.
you have received the
Sir,
copies.
Copies are.
Miss MS so and so also praise for some accommodation for filing an affidavit in opposition in the instant case. Let the matter be listed. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. Let her also file
After 3.
After 3
Only
weeks.
3 hours before your lordship, a date may be fixed after 3.
After 3 weeks. Okay, let the matter be fixed on 28th of May.
20.
28.
28. Fine. Okay, ma'am.
You file your affidavit by this time, okay?
Oblige, your lordship.
5 and 6.
In fact, my learned friend has some difficulty today, otherwise matter.
Lordship, otherwise matter is ready, so I'm praying the matter be taken up for hearing, Lordship. It
Otherwise matter is covered, my lord.
No, it has been argued at length before another bench.
Yes,
earlier.
ma'am.
Lordship, but it was thereafter it was released.
Correct. Now you are ready for the arguments or not?
Today,
May not be today because some other
You are
day,
appearing in the matter from the
Yes,
very
sir.
beginning, right? So you are aware of the matter.
Lordship.
So you are not, in a position to argue the matter today.
Lordship, yesterday some talk was there that they may sought for time, so
Why
that is the
time?
reason.
my lord, because my lord, some development is there in the matter.
What development?
Development is this, my lord. So far as item number 5 is concerned, my lord.
Hmm. Yes.
This is the 3rd round of litigation. And as per the circular 2005 circular, my lord, one meeting was going to be held. So I wanted to know what is the outcome of that meeting. Today morning, I am told that meeting was not held. So my lord, now it is ready. I can argue, my lord. Because my issue is, my lord, in railway.
Yeah, I understand. I know
Fine.
the issue. I know the issue. But
It
there
was-
is nothing, there is nothing much. What will happen with the circular? Only thing is that like whether the agreement was there or not. What will be the rate that has to be fixed?
Coordinate bench has already dealt with the matter in Daya engineering case that I have annexed, my lord, where this honorable court held that the land license fees, which is required to be taken, it is as per the circular 2005 circular. So only that it will be decided on the basis of that circular. In fact, in the 2nd round of litigation, this honorable court also directed them to have a meeting on the basis of that circular, but that was not done.
So only thing is that a price variation, right?
price variation.
Two circle officer has given 2 different rates.
That will not be
In the
applicable because
second case, we have also raised the point of maintainability
Maintainability,
and
they have-
there is an arbitration clause that is also there.
Okay.
The
they
second-
have they have raised that I will apprise your lordship.
Okay. Well, okay, we'll adjourn it for how much time?
A fixed date on a hearing date, Lordship. That will be
Tuesday
there.
or
On the
Thursday.
joint prayer of the council appearing for the parties, let the matter be fixed on
19th of May.
19th of May.
19th of May. Okay, 19th of May. 19th of May, please be ready because it is already being argued before another bench. Lot of substantial time has been already
I know,
consumed.
Because time it was authored for long time. That's why it was released.
Okay, 19th you be ready.
My will deeply obliged.
Lordship, please.
Yes.
In terms of the last order, my lord, your lordship should be kind enough to read the last order, paragraph 5.
Yes.
There it says about the amount. What happened, my lord, is that in terms of the sale auction, an amount of 12 crores was recovered. That was to be distributed among 4 people. Now, we have never collected our share. Instructions from him is that he's got the demand draft, but never, I think has not been credited yet. But there is an amount which has already been distributed. That has already gone from the amount. That we are not able to verify because we have not in possession of that amount or the draft, because in terms of the order 170, it is supposed to be with the recovery officer. So we do not have any instructions as to where and how much money is lying with him. Though our amount approved by the recovery officer is around 5 crores and they have 3 crores. Your lordship, I just take to the lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
I am appealing for the respondent number 3 bank balance.
The bank.
It's a very, otherwise it's a simple issue of apportionment between the PF
Correct,
authority and us.
Correct.
Now, my lord, what I would like to submit is that perhaps lordship will take this matter up after about 10 days or so. I've already instructed the bank, but
Yeah, well, you have got your share already.
No, we have not.
You have not got
Both
it.
of us were
Both
allotted
of
the
us
share,
got
but both of us did not collect one.
Money is supposed to be with the recovery
Correct,
officer.
recovery officer, it should have been apportioned and like given it to the respective shareholder. I mean, respective stakeholders.
Now, since the money, my lord, is in the custody of the recovery officer, that is why, my lord, neither my learned friend nor I.
And anyway, is anybody is appearing for recovery officer?
No, my lord, whether
It is nobody.
He's not been made party.
He is,
He-
my lord.
he's a
He's number 2.
Then he should come before the
Yes,
court and
if
tell.
he comes and clarifies, we will know how much money is lying with him.
And no one is appearing for him?
No,
Till date?
No, my lord.
This has been done.
They've been served, all have been served, my lord, but nobody's been appearing for him.
The notice is served.
Yes, my lord. And that distribution, my lord, is at page 189, in terms of which money should have.
So
been
without his appearance, how you are going to decide this thing?
Lordship may perhaps consider one thing, that last order of my lord Justice Nair, that may be modified, and my lord, in fact, a specific direction may perhaps be passed to the
Yes.
recovery officer to produce the details.
Just the
That
details
would be
for your
better, my lord.
lordships.
In
That
fact,
will
we
make it
will,
clearer.
I take it upon myself, my lord, I will serve the copy to him, rather than, my lord, ensuring his presence here. Lordship may direct that the recovery officer shall produce, notify or inform the court, my lord.
He should have the correct information.
Yes, because only he has the custody of the money. So perhaps that order may be, my lord, instead of the PF and us, my lord, we can intimate the recovery officer directly, my lord. Let a peremptory order go to him, my lord. We will serve it.
That direction, my lord, is at page 177.
177.
Yes, my lord, that's the order.
Yes.
The last part, my lord.
The branch.
Office is directed so and so for 9 lakh crores. The branch manager, Punjab National Bank.
It's 12 lakhs, what is
12
this?
crores.
12 crores.
Yes, in an FDR.
Hmm.
That's where the money is.
So 9 crore and 12 and 3 crore.
Yes.
What?
Yes, and then, my lord, the.
Okay, 12
distribu-
crore already given, 9 crore, 3 crore, okay.
Yes, and lordships at page 189 is the distribution. Your lordships will be clear if your lordship sees 189.
But there was an order for entire amount of sanctioned loan of so and so
No, I tell you, lordship-
directly to HDFC Bank
Yes, so
and balance 3 crore to their account. What is this?
would your lordships kind enough to come to page 189? That will clarify the situation. How it has gone there. 189, that's the distribution, my lord.
Yes.
That's the order dated 8/3/2022. So this is the distribution. That is how 12 lakhs has been deposited there.
Mm-hmm.
So we are presuming that the money is there. If a direction can be given, they can come here before your lordships and clarify.
The money is lying with him.
Yes, we have not taken our share. Neither he has
Neither of
taken-
us have collected.
Neither of us collected our
We
share.
have collected the demand draft 3 years back, my lord, but we have not in cash.
That has not been encashed.
Then you have approached this court for what?
We challenge this order, my lord. This was actually as a retaliation to the appeal filed by them.
Hmm.
Because the direction in terms of this high court's order, my lord, was that distribution at page 161. So there was a writ petition filed. There was a joint application filed by both of us. In that, there were certain directions passed. That is at page 161
Hmm.
of the writ of this petition. So in terms of that, that order was passed before that. Page 161. Page 161, para 6.
So recovery officer is a party number 2, right?
Yes.
No, no one has appeared.
No one is appeared.
So we'll do one thing. We'll pass an order and let him come before the court and like file an affidavit saying whatever is
Yes.
there with him and like
Yes,
let the money
that-
be. I
that's
mean,
the situation.
as per the thing.
Yes. Or your lordships can direct, we will intimate.
No, Lordship may clarify that, my lord, the recovery officer is required to inform us. That we can do. That will help speed up things perhaps.
May I suggest this, my lord?
Recovery officer is a debt recovery tribunal. no?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm.
Some direction may be given. My learned friend is anyway taking the
I
responsibility.
can.
You can intimate him.
Yes.
We will not,
But
we will not,
indicate
will not.
the order that, my lords, I will intimate and that details may be given to us, so that we can place it before the court. That we can do. So since the money is in his custody, so we will
We
not
want
directly.
the clarification to that extent, that's all, madam.
Okay, I heard Mr. R.B. Fukun, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Ganguly, the learned counsel appearing for
And
respondent number.
3, my lords.
You have Punjab National Bank,
Lordship.
respondent number 3. Wide in order dated 26/3/2026. The coordinate bench of this court has directed the counsel appearing for the parties to apprise this court about the value of what is this fixed deposit receipt?
The amount was collected and deposited as a fixed deposit. The auction money.
Okay, it was,
Yes.
it is there in the fixed deposit.
Yes.
With regard to the value of the fixed deposit received on 31/3/2026. And further as to the manner in which the said amount would now be required to be apportioned between the petitioner and respondent number 3. Full stop. However, the counsels appearing for the appearing for the parties submit that that specific information is available with the recovery officer, and they are not privy to such information as yet. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 3 submits that he would intimate the respondent number 2, that is the recovery officer, about the passing of the order today, and that the relevant information should be given to him so that on the next date fixed, he can apprise this court about the process that to be followed for apportionment of the aforesaid fixed amount that has already been received. Full stop. Let the matter be listed. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Is it possible, Milo, to have a date fixed if it is not?
Okay, let the matter be fixed on 14th of May.
12th or 14th May, any date that is.
14th of May.
Obliged. Obliged.
Affidavit debarred.
My lord, it was directed the PWD order,
Huh?
pending counsel of PWD. Under the domain of.
Yes,
the
yes, who is appearing for PWD? That's what I'm asking you. PWD, who is appearing for PWD?
First time Bikram Chaudhary appeared, madam.
Mr. Bikram Chaudhary is coming now. Mr. Bikram Chaudhary, what is to be done? Affidavit is debarred.
Lordship, I'm just pointing out the number of work that the petitioner has done. It involves 28 packages, out of which one package is pre-GST and the rest of are the after post-GST.
Correct. Now, thing is that there are certain, maybe certain factual things which needs to be brought on record by way of an affidavit, but affidavit is debarred.
Yes, Lordship,
So-
on that only.
So what is
I
to be
received
done?
the instruction.
So you'll have to argue on the basis of this.
Lordship,
Or you can do
It
what,
is covered by a decision, madam.
no, what I can suggest is that like the one option you can do avail is that if both of you can argue the matter and then you can file a written statement kind of thing. Not
Written-
written statement, written argument kind of thing,
that I can.
so that something comes on record. Otherwise, I mean, I think in this matter, there, as you are pointing out, there are certain issues that has to be brought on record, right? When, I mean,
Exactly.
there are factual things there may be here and there.
It's there.
They may be claiming that I have worked in so many packages. You may be saying like
No, that
half.
is not the case, madam.
Then-
Only the question of law which has been settled by a coordinate bench, madam.
What is the
Basically
question? of
covered
law?
by, madam, the issue here is that, my lord,
Hmm.
I have executed
Hmm.
20 packages in all 29 packages. There are the sub packages.
Hmm.
Now, only issue is that while preparing the bill, the department, PWD, has not added GST to it. Now, under the provision, the PWD department being the last receiver of goods and services under the contract, they have to pay the bill, GST.
Correct, I understand. I mean, they have not mentioned about GST.
They have not
And
added.
they have not mentioned about GST. Now, thing is that you are saying that like GST, I mean, you'll have to pay, so it will be
I have
additional
already paid,
burden.
my lord, around 7 crore I have paid, because otherwise because due responsibility is on me. I have to deposit to the department.
But that is a statutory duty.
Yes, madam.
So
There is the
statutory duty you'll have to take into account while bidding the.
Only issue is this, and this issue has been cleaned by a decision of this bank, saying that you have done wrong, correct it and do it in accordance with law. That is the thing here, madam.
It is also with the GST and wherein GST was not.
Same fact, madam.
Same.
fact, madam, executing road construction work under PMGSY work, my lord, same issue, and this is the judgment. Lordship, may kindly come to paragraph 9, my lord.
Para 9.
9, ma'am. Yeah, read it, madam.
Yes, yes.
The dispute raised in the present proceeding is whether, in addition to the bills paid by the respondent authority in respect of the running bills raised by the petitioner, the GST component is also required to be paid by the respondent. It is noticed that on one hand, the counsel for the petitioner has argued the proposition that a GST is to be paid under the reverse charge mechanism, and as a consequence thereof, the entity which had last received the benefits, namely PWD department, is required to pay the GST to that extent. The amount is required to be released and deposited to the state exchequer by the petitioner contractor. However, under the provisions of GST law, if GST component is to be paid on the reverse charge mechanism, then the entity which was the last recipient of the benefit of goods and services, or both, namely the PWD department in the present case, will be required to make the necessary deposit of GST component to in the state exchequer. Under reverse charge mechanism, the amount is not required to be released to the service provider. Rather, the amount is required to be paid on behalf of the service provider by the entity who last received the benefits of goods, services, or both, namely the PWD in the present proceeding. Under such circumstance, if the principle of reverse charge is to be applied to the facts of the present case, then the claim of the petitioner made for release of the GST component to the petitioner goes contrary to the accepted principle of reverse charge mechanism as per the provision of GST. In this context, it is also relevant to refer to the communication letter so issued by the National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency. The said communication is extracted below. Madam, this is very important, madam. Now,
So what is this state rural infrastructure development?
madam,
But
this
this is,
madam,
that is the particular
yes,
case.
by all works are under, done under this authority, madam.
Okay.
PMGSY has clarified by 6/6/2018 that how GST is to be my lord, worked out, and
But this is clear that GST has to be paid by the department.
now it has been clarified here
Yeah,
also.
by the department. But
By the
only thing is that whether that component you have taken into account while bidding the,
Exactly,
go for the bid or not.
Exactly, madam.
So that is the thing. Now this is a statutory duty. So statutory duty, whether it should be excluded or it should be included while you tender your, for tender for the bid.
My lord,
That is the question.
that is the question.
Now that, so
No, they have not entered it.
you have not taken into account that amount.
My lord.
You have not taken into account that amount while bidding the tender, putting for tender, right?
Exactly, madam. GST, I am not, GST is a separate thing, my lord.
No, but GST, GST has to be paid. GST has to be paid,
Paid.
right? Service provider, that has to be paid either by you or by the department.
No, deposit
Now
duty is
think-
mine. Deposit duty is mine, but it
Correct.
has to be paid by the entity which got the final service, the PPW department.
So while paying you the bill,
My lord, they should add.
they should add it or not add it. That is
That is the only issue.
That is the only issue. Now, now the question comes, while bidding for the tender, then while you have taken that component into account or not? If you have taken into the account that component, then it's a different thing.
No, my lord. The bid came that way, knowing the law, because my lord, the GST component law has come into being from 1/7/2017. Now NITs have come much later. So by that time GST. So
GST is already there. GST is already there.
GST was not there, my lord, when the NIT came.
NIT came when?
NIT came, my lord, 1 on 10/7/17, but the work was given later on. Then other GST NITs were on, my lord, 4/7/17 and 2/11/17. These are three NITs, my lord.
Three NITs came,
Came and then work was given much later, my lord.
correct, but GST was already available at that point in time.
No, GST came
GST came into effect when?
1/7/2017.
It was prior to that. Your tenders were prior to that.
One NIT came, but work was given after GST, my lord.
Work was
So
given
all
after
the work
GST.
order was given after the GST came into being, my lord. Now there is no dispute to that provision, my lord. Only one thing that Lordship has pointed, the issue is that whether they should add GST to the bill to enable me to deposit the GST to the concerned exchequer, my lord. Now, since they have not deposited, my lord, the penal effect will come on me. My lord, I have deposited around 7 crore.
No, correct.
But they are not depositing.
So you have paid the GST, but they have not deposited.
They have not. So that's why, my lord, this case has been reverted back to the department to work out properly, and also ask that GST which was deducted, you should refund the GST. Also, kindly see the direction part.
Yes. Which paragraph?
Yeah. 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 Now, Lordship, may kindly, that judgment, this has clarified everything, my lord. Lordship, kindly see that paragraph 9 I was reading, my lord.
9 you were reading.
My
Yes.
lord, there, and part, there is a letter quoted, my lord. Lordship, may kindly see, my lord, that will clinch everything, my lord. On the
Yes.
basis of this only the judgment has been given.
Yes.
6/6/2018.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, may kindly see number 4.
Yes.
Number 4, the adoption and the consequent implication of GST under the PMGSY will be on the following categories of work. The works have been categorized in 4 categories, my lord. Kindly see. Works sanctioned prior to 1/7/2017 under different phases of PMGSY, which are ongoing and subsisting contracts, including the delays so and so, under various stages of physical and financial category. So which was given prior to GST, one category. The second category is, my lord, works sanctioned after 1/7/2017 under different phases of PMGSY under GST, wherein GST has not been accounted for by the original proposal sanction and wherein the tenders have been completed.
So
Number
this was,
3,
GST was not accounted, though it has come into effect.
my lord.
Okay.
And work sanctioned after 1/7/2017 under different phases of so and so, wherein GST has not been accounted for in the original proposal so and so, for which the tender process has not been initiated. It does not come in my case, my lord. In my case, tender initiated, and all new works. So 3 and 4 does not come into picture for my case. My case will be 2.
The work sanction after 1/7/2017.
Under different phases of PMGSY, wherein GST has not been accounted for in the original proposal sanction and wherein tenders have been completed. So how this situation is to be handled? This procedure has been given here, my lord, but you kindly see. category A,
So yours will be category B, not A.
category B. Now, Lordship, we kindly see category A, though it
Yes.
is not applicable on me,
Okay,
but the procedure will be applicable. I'm coming to that, my lord.
okay.
Now, category A, I'm not going to the details.
Hmm.
Lordship, may kindly come to the last part.
Yes.
Clause Act 1, my lord, 11. The
Clause
contractor,
Huh.
while raising the bill and tax invoice post GST,
Hmm.
will now collect GST as indicated above from the employer
Hmm.
and will remit the same to the respective government. The entire GST of the supply will have to be finally borne by the employer.
Correct.
Now, category B, Lordship, kindly see.
Hmm.
The work sanctioned up to so and so and may be treated upon the status of the work so and so. For the works which have been awarded and commenced on the field, action may be initiated as detailed in category A above. So in my case, my lord, already works initiated and everything. So all the procedure that has been laid down in A, that has to be followed. Then B, for the work which have been awarded but not commenced.
May also be
Not commenced.
So in all your three packages, I mean, the B will cover. Category B will cover.
So B, he says that the procedure which has been enumerated in A will follow. Now A makes it very clear, clinchingly clear, my lord.
So while raising the bill, you'll have to include the GST.
No. The bill
It
is prepared by
says the
department.
contractor, while raising the bill and tax invoice post GST,
My lord.
will now collect GST.
Collect
GST from whom?
My lord, another procedure, my lord, PMGSY, all the bills are prepared by the department. I have to raise my demand, give the particulars, bills are raised by the department.
Okay, bills will be raised by them, not by you.
Not my bill. I have to give all the particulars, my claim, and the site engineer.
So while raising the bill, they'll have to include the GST.
Include the GST, my lord.
And they have to collect it from you, and they'll have to deposit it. And what they have done now, in your case?
In my case, my lord,
They have collected
it. No.
They haven't collected the GST.
No, from the department, they have not added the GST.
No, correct. They
But
have
the
not.
duty lies on me, so I have to pay, my lord, otherwise penal consequence will come on me, my lord. So this is the only dispute, my lord. First, after this, all the PMGCO work that has been given to my client, my lord, specific clause has been included. After this clarification, my lord, there it is clearly mentioned that the bid amount will be exclusive of GST. Now it is very clear. Now I am getting other contracts I am getting after this clarification. So that's why, based on this, my
So
lord,
now the GST they deduct it at a source only.
my lord, GST, no, GST they have to add.
No, they
Pay
add
me.
it, then they, I mean, then bill is paid to you, right?
Bill is paid, the GST they have to be added. Other bills have been paid.
No, the earlier, in your case, the GST was not added,
Not
but you
added.
had to pay it because we are liable.
Exactly.
So you had to pay it, but which is actually their liability.
They are liable.
Now in the, now after that, the subsequent bills, they have added the GST.
No, there are other works, man. Other
Correct, that's what I'm saying. In other works, they started doing it.
The clause has been, it has been made very clear.
So GST, they keep it with themselves and they pay it directly to the
No,
authorities.
they have not paid. They are not paying. That's why.
No, in other subsequent contracts now, what they are doing?
Subsequent contract, they are adding GST, giving to me. I am depositing. There is no problem, my lord.
Okay.
I have the documents to show.
Yeah, I mean, Chaudhary, I mean, I think it's a simple thing.
Lordship, here the factual difference.
And I am only paying for this.
Anything there, anything more, Mr.
No, my lord. I am only paying this, my lord. This, what relief has been given, it has been sent back to the department, work out properly, and do the needful, my lord.
So this is, Mr. Chaudhary, what is there?
Lordship, in the citation given my
Yes.
senior friend,
Hmm.
Lordship may kindly look at paragraph four
Para-
of that.
paragraph?
Paragraph 4.
4.
Lordship, this contract was post GST.
Hmm.
It is submitted by the learned counsel of the petitioner that the tender condition clearly provided that the bidder should quote their bid exclusive of GST.
Hmm.
So, Lordship, this case was without the GST being quoted. They have to give their bid for the work.
No, see, I mean, there may be certain miscommunication that is there, but now thing is that GST, the liability of GST is clear as per law, as per statute.
Lordship,
Correct.
liability
Now,
is
only
clear.
thing is that, that's what I was asking very initially, while bidding for the tender, whether they have accounted this GST amount or not.
Lordship, out of the 28 packages, 29 packages, Lordship. One package was post, pre-GST.
Mm.
There, Lordship, they have included VAT, and whatever the difference is there, they have to give a reimbursement proposal certified by the CA.
Mm.
That, Lordship, department is ready to pay as per my instruction.
Mm.
And secondly, Lordship, the rest of the 28 packages, these were post GST, and in the tender condition, it was specifically mentioned that the bid price should include the
GST.
rates, tax, or whatever government dues are there. It has to be included. And post GST, Lordship, the rate was 12%. Subsequently, during the pendency of their contract,
But while floating the tender, this GST was not there in one of the cases.
in one package, it was pre-GST Lordship, so VAT was there.
Mm.
And whatever difference, they will have to give a reimbursement proposal
Mm.
certified by the CA, and department will make the necessary.
So you will do that necessary. But other cases, you are saying that like tender conditions specified that all taxes has to be included while bidding.
Yes,
Hmm?
yes, Lordship.
Bidding the price.
And at that point of time, Lordship, the rate was 12%.
Mm.
Subsequently, it
So
was.
now your submission is that since tender condition specified, where is the tender condition? Let me see the tender condition.
Lordship, that has not been.
No, no.
The
no, it is there.
document is not there.
It is there, madam. There is an additional affidavit. I'm coming. It's there. Rahul, it is there.
Yes, additional
Additional affidavit is there, page
Ah.
462.
462.
There is no mention of GST, my lord.
462.
Clause 41, my lord.
Lordship, 13.3
tax.
instruction to be the.
The rates quoted by the contractor shall be deemed to be inclusive of sales.
Inclusive of the sales and
Of the
other
sales,
levies,
other levies,
duties,
duties,
royalties,
royalties,
cess and
charges,
so and so, so and so.
local bodies and authorities.
Now, by that time, GST came into being. There is no mention about GST. Other things, man, toll, sales and everything I will pay, definitely. Now, there was some amount of confusion which has been removed by that notification I have read, my lord.
Hmm.
It has been made very clear that GST has to be paid by the department. Contractor has to raise the bill and they have to pay, and the contractor has to deposit. It has been clarified, my lord. And Lordship, kindly see this.
So you are saying that like, I mean, there is no mention about GST, only tax has been mentioned,
Lordship,
but
may kindly.
tax inclusive of sales and other levies.
My lord.
Hmm.
Because by that time,
But this is clarified by that letter.
It is
you are saying.
clarified, my lord. There is some ambiguity. I agree with my learned friend, my lord.
Mm.
Some ambiguity there. And Lordship, kindly see this one.
Mm.
After this, my lord, all PMGSOs came, including myself, my lord.
Mm.
Now it has been made.
In the standard bidding document.
No, yes, ma'am.
Lordship, may kindly peruse
Agreements.
13.3 also.
1 second. Where?
I have flag mark, my lord.
Flag mark.
That same 41 clause, my lord.
Okay, tax, now it has been clarified.
The
Okay.
rates quoted by the contractor shall be deemed to be exclusive of the
Hmm.
GST, but including so and so, all included, my lord. Now this has been clarified, my lord. After this, it will be inclusive of all sales and everything I have to pay, but it will be exclusive of GST, my lord. And that's why, my lord, all subsequent contract, my lord, now GST is they are adding and we are paying, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Lordship,
See, now you have clarified this. The subsequent bidding document, you have clarified that tax clause. So the GST, we have specifically mentioned about this. Earlier, it was not there. Then the government has issued I mean, the authority, whoever it is, National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency has issued this notification saying that how GST has to be tackled. Now it says that GST is the liability of you. While raising the bill, you should have included it. You haven't done it. I mean, whatever the submission Mr. Chakraborty has made. So that has to be done. Now he has paid that amount and he has not accounted that amount while bidding for the tender. Now why he should suffer? That is his case.
Lordship, we are not denying his rightful claim. Only that, Lordship, in the post GST contract, in the instruction to bidders, it was clearly 13.3. It was clearly mentioned that they should include the taxes in their bid.
Now taxes you have
And since Lordship, the rate was 12%,
where you have said it?
instruction to the bidders.
Instead to the bidders post GST, but in his bid whether it was there.
Lordship, that has to be verified in each
No,
of
it
the work package.
41 I have read, my lord.
41 he has read already.
I have 13.3, Lordship. 13.3 standard bid.
13.3, where is that?
Instruction to the bidders.
What is written there? May you know, my lord?
13.3, what is there?
Lordship, here they have quoted and forwarded to me.
Where?
What I placed before your lordship is the terms and condition of the contract. That cannot be deviated, my lord. And this has been clarified clearly, my lord, now under the order.
So where is the instruction of bidders? It's not there in the on record, right? It's not
No,
there.
that's not there, my lord.
That's not there. You have it?
Lordship, relevant part they have given it.
No, it cannot be contradictory, right? There is one general terms of terms and
Yes.
conditions, and there is one instruction to bidders. Okay, standard bidding document.
13.3, Lordship.
This is the same thing which has been stated in this para 41,
Yes.
clause 41. Clause 41, the same thing you're saying, all duties, taxes, royalties, other levies payable by the contractor under the contract for any other clause shall be included in the rates. That is the same clause which is there in the general conditions of contract. Now, these general conditions of contract, you have subsequently amended by clarifying the GST part. It was not clear at that point of time. And there is a notification which has been issued in 2018 clarifying how it is to be handled with. So as per both these things, I think he has a case.
Lordship, he has but only the difference part of tax that he has paid.
He has only
He has to make a reimbursement proposal before the department.
That is only
At that-
saying, my lord, out of 20 packages, one they are saying that is one segment.
No,
of
no,
it.
no, no.
Both,
No, he's saying that for others also. You'll have,
Because at it was 12% during the pendency of the contract, it was raised to 18%. That difference of 6%, whichever contract it is applicable, he will have to give a reimbursement proposal.
so
No,
you.
then I will get back entire GST they have to pay.
No,
my lord.
they
It's
have,
simple law, my lord.
no, that is what, I mean, he has paid the GST now, right? Now, what he's saying is that like GST, since he has paid, it is which, otherwise it is your liability. So you should have paid the GST. Now you should reimburse him the GST. That is his case.
Lordship, 12% was inclusive of, inclusive in the bid. Lordship, whatever subsequent increase has been made in the tax, Lordship, that department is ready to make payments subject to him giving a proposal.
No, you'll have to give the entire GST. Huh? Why?
No, 12%, it was at the beginning in the bid document, it was clearly stated that it will be inclusive.
It's a 12% of, 12% GST.
That was applicable rate at that point of time, Lordship.
12% was applicable at
Yes,
that point of
yeah,
time.
Yes, Lord.
My lord, from where, my lord? I have read the condition, my lord. This has been clarified by subsequent, my lord.
Then Lordship, you will have to place each and every work package document along with the contract.
No,
agreement.
see,
This is only a point of law, my lord. This is only a point of law. Admittedly, they are
Because
not.
every tender, whatever payment, it has to, it is governed by the terms and conditions, Lordship.
see, in your case, in your tender, where he has bidded for, there was a clause saying that all taxes, levies, whatever, that will be inclusive. Inclusive means he'll have to take into account while bidding for the tender.
Yes, Lord.
Correct. Now, only thing is that GST came in between. Now,
No, Lordship, except for one work
no,
package, the
other
rest,
works,
it was
correct.
GST.
But his sanction was there, whatever. I mean, GST has come. Now, GST, I mean, he's saying that his contention is that this tax clause doesn't cover GST. It doesn't say about GST. It says about other taxes like, I mean, royalty, cess, toll taxes, central state governments, etc., etc. And that they were not clear. I mean, there, see, Mr. Chakraborty, there is a, I mean, see, now this, whether this tax clause will include GST or not, that
It's
is
not little bit ambiguity is there. That has
that
been clarified.
ambiguity is there.
Yes, my lord.
And you are saying that you suffered for that because
No,
of
that
that.
has been clarified by the department.
Correct. You suffered at that point of time. You
My-
suffered because you have not taken into account
My lord.
that amount.
My lord.
Correct. While
No,
bidding,
no, my lord.
you haven't taken into account. So he hasn't taken into account that amount. Now it has been clarified now, clarifying that like GST, how GST has to be handled now. It has been stated that GST has to be added by you. So you have not done so while billing his packages.
Then,
So now since it has been clarified, he'll have to take care of his,
then Lordship, each of the work package has to, done by the petitioner has to be verified. Then Lordship may direct the authorities to verify, and whatever reimbursement proposal he has to.
I think this is already covered by this judgment.
11, 12
Code-
and 13.
code-
Lordship, that is
code
the
bench.
direction.
Code
But
bench.
Lordship, that was exclusive of GST, as stated in the paragraph 4.
The only issue is that like here it was specifically stated exclusive GST, here it is not stated
Not
exclusive
stated,
GST.
Lordship. That's the
In my
difference.
case also, my lord, subsequent one, all.
So you consider his case, I mean, see, because if he's
It
unnecessary.
has to be verified, Lordship.
If he doesn't have the liability as per the law and he's paying it, then he'll have to take care of this.
My lord, that clarification that is very clear, my lord. Clause 11.
Which para?
No,
No, this is fine, but here see,
that direction part, my lord.
that case is factually a little bit different because that says the exclusive of GST, but in this case, exclusive GST is not there. Your clause says taxes. Taxes may mean GST also. How can you say that GST is not there?
Exactly, my lord. Some ambiguity is there, that has been
Yeah,
clarified.
that has been clarified subsequently by bringing in that amendment in 41. Correct?
41, my lord.
41, the amendment has been.
Subsequently, my lord, on all PMJ, my lord, my case cannot be excluded for a different reason, my lord. That has to be in accordance with law. Now, 17 it came, 18 department has clarified how GST is to be. My lord, here it has been made very clear.
Yeah, Mr. Chaudhary, you cannot deny one thing, that there was some ambiguity, and because of this, these clarifications have come. Because of that only this letter, otherwise what is the point of issuing this letter?
Exactly, my lord.
6/6/2018, because there was some ambiguities, people are facing some ambiguities. Because they have not accounted that amount, GST amount, while bidding for the tender. Then they will lose, no? They lost the amount. If you take away the GST part, is a measure, it's a huge part of money. The money will go away.
Lordship,
So while bidding for this, if you would have stated that inclusive of GST or exclusive of GST, then he would have taken care of that while bidding for this tender. Correct. So that ambiguity was there at that point of time. That has been clarified later on. You have issued this letter. Now only thing you'll have to do is that you'll have to see, what is the amount that you have, that he has already paid, and he will submit all his required documents. I think you have already given. You have submitted some representation?
Yes, sir. That is enclosed there, my lord.
So he has submitted the representation. All the documents have been given. So you give him a hearing. You give him a hearing along
My
with the
lord,
documents.
The same direction has been given, paragraph 11, 12 and 13 of the
Lordship,
judgment.
Lordship will see in my instruction in the first page.
Hmm.
Department is ready to pay. They will have to make a reimbursement proposal as per their work packages and certified by the chartered accountant.
That also you can do, Mrs. Chakraborty.
Accordingly, they will make the necessary
I can do,
verification.
but my learned friend should be clear, my lord. He is only saying that.
No, are you saying only about the
Lord,
one package, or are you talking all
No,
packages?
Lordship will see the instruction in all packages. One, he will get it, the pre-GST. Post-GST, Lordship, that's rate calculation is there only.
So 12%, 18%, there is some issue. So like they will they will do according to that.
Lordship,
If it is 12% was there, then they will get 12%.
12%.
And if it is 18%,
yes,
then
Lordship, if their rate doesn't include that GST of 12%, then they will get the whole of the whatever tax they have given, Lordship. Only that has to be verified from their record.
If there
as well
that
as
clarification, that lordship, if my bid included GST or not, that cannot be, my lord. Bid where it is.
See, either way, you are saying that like you will.
We are ready to
you
make
are
the
ready to
payment.
consider it.
Yes.
So you do one thing. Already coordinate benches in similar situations already directed that a hearing should be given along with the documents. You will come, and they will submit this reimbursement, this thing.
Yes, Lord.
Format or
Whatever
whatever.
they ask for will provide, my lord.
You provide them. He will provide all those things, and accordingly consider it. And you are bound by this.
Yes, but Lordship, my submission is that was citation was
No,
exclusive of GST.
but other things are there that I'll clarify, because 2018 letter is issued, then subsequently this That
Lordship will have to-
given me that, yes.
Subsequently,
yes,
all,
sir.
well, not only me, my lord,
Hmm.
in every contract under PNB.
Correct, standard document has
Yes,
been
sir.
modified.
हाँ, हाँ,
Standard
That
document has
your
been
lordship kindly
modified.
mentioned, my lord.
Uh,
Subsequently,
The
it has
standard
been-
document has been already modified by you, clarifying this.
Yes, Lordship, because in the citation, the work contract was of April 2019, after the later, Lordship.
No, correct, because he got stuck up because in between GST came, there, I mean, a lot of confusion
Lot
at
of
that point of
confusions are here,
time.
ma'am.
But Mr. Chakraborty, see, earlier 41 is like GST was not there.
Not
Correct. So GST was not there. That's why all taxes, it was all taxes. That has been specifically mentioned. You are aware of this.
No. That when this agreement was signed, GST came into being, my lord.
No, correct. GST came into
But
being.
GST was not included there.
But see, this taxes clause has been replaced by GST clause. Earlier you were paying different taxes. Now you pay one consolidated GST.
No, in spite of GST, my lord, certain tolls and everything we have to pay today also, my lord.
The
That's
tolls
why-
and all these things are there, but taxes means, I mean,
Tax mean-
major
means
tax,
consumer tax.
major taxes are service taxes.
Yes, my lord, that has been mentioned, my lord.
So do you want to say that like this tax doesn't include service tax?
No, lordship, can you see? That communication 6/6/2018 has been mentioned, my lord. First paragraph. GST has, my lord, subsumed which thing, my lord? First paragraph.
Correct. That is right. See, earlier also there is a
Service
tax.
tax, lordship, can you see? Service tax has been subsumed, central sales tax subsumed. Everything has come under GST, my lord.
That is what, but earlier GST was not there. So separate different taxes were there.
17 taxes were there,
17 taxes were there. So 17 taxes were excluded.
my lord.
So by clause 41,
41.
clause 41, that they have tackled those taxes, taxes.
Well, my submission is that when the agreement was signed, this condition was given. By that time, GST already had come. So if the department really wanted that GST should be inclusive, they should have mentioned GST, my lord. GST is the major component, my lord. That was not mentioned. So some doubt was there. That has been clarified, my lord, by 2018. Clearly mentioning that employer will pay.
No, that will be clear. No, that will obviously will be clarified. Now, since GST has come, they'll have to clarify it. But earlier it was called tax.
My lord,
It was called earlier all the taxes
earlier
or
means prior 2017.
before coming of the GST,
My lord.
all the statutory
Taxes,
taxes
different taxes, my lord.
were covered under this clause 41.
My lord.
So 41 you'll have to take into account, otherwise also.
My lord.
Correct. And now only thing is the rate has changed maybe. The earlier taxes and now GST,
Rate is a different thing.
that will
It
be
was
changed.
12%, then became 18%. Whatever the percentage, my lord, that relevant period of time, that will be done, my lord.
No. See, rates quoted by the contractor. I'm just reading 41. The rates
41.
quoted by the contractor shall be deemed to be inclusive of what? Sales.
My lord.
So sales tax. Earlier it was sales tax.
My lord.
Sales and other levies. Correct? Duties, royalties, chase, toll, taxes of central and state governments, local bodies, everything is concluded here.
My lord.
So you ought to have taken into account this aspect. Have you taken into account this aspect or not?
My lord, by that time GST already came into being, my lord. How come that GST
Correct.
was not in the...
Now all these taxes are clubbed together and made GST.
No, my lord.
Almost all. At least service taxes and most of the major taxes are included in GST. It's a consolidated tax legislation.
That's why, my lord, I fall in 6/6/2018, my lord. It is very clear that, my lord, another GST regime, lordship, my lord, it is settled proposition that it is in a reverse charge mechanism. The ultimate receiver of goods and services has to bear the burden of GST, my lord. It is a settled proposition. That's why, my lord, GST has to be paid by the authority or the entity which has received the ultimate goods and services.
No, there is an issue. Now if you want to take the reimbursement of everything,
Lordship, my lord, my lord, give a direction to the department to consider everything and pass an order, my lord. Even taking into account that 6/6/2018, my lord.
Now, Mr. Chaudhary is saying, he's saying that in some packages, GST has come, in some packages, GST may not have come at that point
Only
of
one
time. Correct.
segment, very,
No. See, there was a tax component already there. That you should include in your bid.
my lord.
Correct. Tax component, whatever tax components were there, you should include in your bid. That is said, it says that the bid should inclusive of. So you'll have to take into account that amount. And that after taking into that amount, you'll have to bid for that. And that amount definitely they will, they will take away from your, from the billings. That will be deposited to the authorities. Now you are saying is that the whole GST amount,
My lord.
they have not added.
I am relying on 6/6/2018, my lord.
6/6/2018, it may not come into your favor also. Because here it is specifically stated that it will be inclusive, all taxes.
My lord,
One second.
done. Well, since the department is using all these things, lordship can
See, department.
revisit the last order.
Hmm.
And my lord, without record, without anything, they are submitting all these things. Let them come on record, my lord. To that extent, I am agreeable, my lord. But without
The
taking any
department,
stand,
as per the instructions what they have given, submitted, they are saying department is denying about your, this thing about 28 packages. One package they are agreeable to, and 28 packages, they are saying that like this clause covers this. Because this, this clause specifically says that this is inclusive of. So while bidding it, you have included your price on this. So that's why they have cut it whatever is there.
my lord, that judgment I have cited, my lord. Lordship kindly see.
Okay, then, I mean, we'll do one thing. I mean, see, there is, I mean, there, because this case will cover to certain extent, but there was a specific this thing that here it says GST exclusive.
Possibly, my lord, I am submitting, my lord.
Hmm.
This case, Muslim Ali versus, initially I was the advocate.
Hmm.
Then I was the advocate in this case. Subsequently, I had to
Hmm.
leave, my lord. My lord, I think something has gone wrong with this submission, my lord. The same clause was there also, my lord. I'll take a certified copy of that, my lord.
But here it says
Four,
that.
it is the submission, my lord. Paragraph 4.
Hmm.
So I'll take a
Paragraph
certified
four,
copy. Let it be
exclusive
fixed after
GST.
some time, my lord. Let it be fixed after some time. I'll take a certified copy, my lord. There also this, my clause is also exactly there, my lord.
Okay, then you come up with this because
My
there is some,
lord, even
see,
the factual
see, I
difference
mean,
also.
court is only concerned with only one thing. See, if 41 says that it will inclusive of everything.
I understood your
So
lordship.
at that point of time, GST was not there. Now, the only thing the difference has come is that like GST is a legislation which is a consolidated, I mean, indirect tax
Right.
legislation, right? So all sales tax, service tax, all came in. So the earlier this was excluded. Now only thing subsequently since GST has come, this 41 has been amended, saying all these things has been excluded, saying that only GST, because all these things are not required now. It has come under the GST. Yeah, so that is the amendment they have done.
Well, 18, it has been clearly said, it has been clarified, my lord, GST has to be paid by the last receiver of goods and services. Employer, that has been very clearly laid down, my lord. And so far, clause 4 is concerned, my lord,
And then what about what happens to this clause 41?
41 has to be interpreted with 16, my lord.
Correct. So if you interpret 41 with this, I mean, 41 specifically says that while bidding, I mean, while tendering, your tender amount has to include this.
Lordship,
Because this is a statutory payment. So you'll have to take into account this amount and bid for this. Now you cannot say that like I have not taken into account this amount. And this is a statutory amount you'll have to pay. Either you pay or like they'll have to collect it from you. They'll have to pay. So that is a problem here, that because this clause says all taxes. This is pre-GST document. Now post GST document they have subsequently modified.
I've got the point, my
Now
lord.
if cannot ask for reimbursement of the whole amount. You can ask for reimbursement only for one thing. They are saying that difference 12% and 18%. Earlier it was 12%. Now it has been increased to 18%. That difference you can get it probably. That's what they are saying.
Yes.
So you clarify. I mean, we'll put it on some other date.
Some other date, my lord. Let me part heard, my lord, and then as your lordship pleases, my lord.
The part heard will not keep, but like you clarify.
But will it be considered, my lord? They may file a reply, my lord.
But this coordinate bench already said it is debarred.
Lordship, I will try to bring a written argument along with whatever.
You bring a written argument and we can fix it on.
Copy should be given to us, so that we
Yes,
can come
I
prepared.
will give it.
Give him a copy also. I mean, this instruction you keep it with you, and this I'm keeping on record. This and this document you can keep it
I
with
can
you.
take that.
Then we will put it some other
Some other
date.
date,
If this
I'll-
bench is there, we wear it.
After 2
Otherwise,
weeks, my
other
lord,
bills.
after 2 weeks. 2 weeks or how long? 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, then
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, then this bench will not be available anyways.
any date, my lord. I'll leave it to our lordship, my lord. Any date.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. B. Chakraborty, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the
PWD.
PW department. Full stop. let the matter be listed on 19th of May.
Hearing day, my lord.
Yes, Tuesday, 19th of May. Okay. 19th of May. Mr. A.K. Datta, take his name. This one.
May I please, Lord? I'm appearing for item 9, my lord. But here the case is, my lord, the petitioner is a duly elected member of is a board of director of Dokhin Bogruibari Gaon Panchayat Samabay Samiti
No,
Limited.
they have not filed affidavit. They are
Lordship.
seeking for some time.
Lordship,
Why have not filed the affidavit till date?
Lordship, we have not received the instruction. Now it has been received yet, so we'll file our affidavit, Your Lordship. We have recently received the instruction, Your Lordship, so we'll file our.
You are, what is your name?
ST Bhatt, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. SK Talukdar, Corporation Department, Your Lordship.
This matter is pending from 2024.
Lordship. Just 2 weeks.
The first
time, Your
order
Lordship.
was passed on 5/1/2024. And still date you haven't filed any affidavit. Let them file an affidavit. They're saying that they have received the instructions.
No issue, my
Okay. You are Mr.
lord. M.A. Islam.
Heard Mr. M.A. Islam, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.
ST Bhatt,
Write her name on behalf of Mr.
SK Talukdar.
S.K. Talukdar, the learned standing counsel for Cooperation Department.
I'm for item 9, man.
Huh?
There are 3 items, my lord, connected.
Yes,
items.
yes. You are in item number 9.
I'm for 9.
Item number 9, huh? So then you write 9 is WPC 4099, na?
No, WBC 111 2024.
Contempt. There is a contempt.
WBC 1 only 11 minutes.
WPC 11, yeah, take WPC 11. You are appearing for 11.
Yes.
In WPC 11, he is appearing and say prays for 2 weeks. Right, that's so and so submits that she has already received the instruction and will be filing the affidavit in opposition without fail within 2 weeks. 1 second, without fail within 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter, prayer is allowed. Just write like that. And in WPC number, Mr. Bonik is appearing in. Mr. Bonik, S. Bonik appears for the petitioner in WPC number 4099 stroke 2023. And you are appearing? Item 11, you are not appearing what?
No, I'm 9 also.
Item 11, no. Item 11 is which one? Okay. Okay, 4896, record his name, 48962023. List the matter after 2 weeks. Interim order so passed earlier shall continue. In all the matters, interim is there.
In
9 also is there.
9 also.
9 also.
In
9 also is there. 9 is there, no?
Yes, man. You'll also find the first order, man.
Which order? Which order? Dated?
My lord.
Interim is there. Okay. Interim order so passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged, Your Lord.
Hello.
This matter, Lordship, the respondent has said,
They stated that they will not file any affidavit and they will argue the matter. He's not there now.
today I have not seen him in the corridor also.
We'll pass it over for time being. But he's not, his juniors are also not there.
I tried to contact him, let it pass over timing.
Time being, we contact, I mean, if some instruction is there or we can hear the matter. Pass it over for time being.
Lordship, instruction has not been received yet,
You are appearing for whom?
BTC.
Why instruction is not there?
Sure.
Madam, you are a standing counsel of BTC or what?
Yes, standing counsel.
You are a standing counsel of BTC or you are appearing for on behalf of somebody?
BVI.
Then why are you saying you are a standing counsel?
BVI is standing.
Now, are you a standing counsel? If there was a specific question asked, then why are you saying you are a standing counsel? There are differences, standing counsel and a junior appearing on behalf of standing counsel. No, this is not done. I mean, you're not filing affidavit for last occasion you have taken in 2025,
Lordship will file.
3 weeks time taken.
Lordship will file affidavit by today. Lordship will file affidavit.
By today? Today? How will you file it?
By 1 week, Lordship.
How will you file it? You are saying you have not received instructions. Now you are saying you will file the affidavit today.
Kindly, give some time for 1 week.
Okay, tell who is your senior?
BVI.
Tell BVI to file an affidavit
Lordship.
as soon as possible at the earliest.
Sir.
BVI is around.
Yes, Lordship.
She is in the court.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
She's on code 2, Lordship.
Okay, tell her that the affidavit has to be filed in this case. Okay, all right. Heard Mr. T. Deori, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. What is your name?
R. Saloy. R. Saloy.
R. Saloy, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the standing counsel BTC. MS Halo is.
Sorry.
I'm for
respondent 6, 7, 8 and 9.
6, 7, 8, and 9. Mr. P. Bharadwaj. Oh, that was 6, 7, and 8. MS Halo is submits that instructions are yet to be received in the matter. Full stop. Therefore, praise 2 weeks time to complete her instruction and file an affidavit in the instant case. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. Last opportunity is given to BTC to file the affidavit of opposition in the instant matter. Otherwise, the matter will be heard without any affidavit of opposition and without any affidavit.
May please, Lordship. Well, one I is there for implement of respondent number 9. I have 528 of them.
So we can implement.
Lordship,
Lordship may also dispose
dispose it of, without implementing the, as because Lordship there, what happened Lordship in this case, under the Assam Mala scheme, some lands were acquired.
Assam wrong Sabha or something like that. No?
Assam Mala, yes.
Some
Lands of
lands
the
were
petitioner.
acquired, accordingly, Lordship, calculations were made, payments were also made. Now they are claiming that they have stated that some other plot of land has also been acquired. So according,
Mala scheme.
Yes.
Yes.
so accordingly, that calculation should also be made. Accordingly, they have also approached this honorable court, and this honorable court has directed us to make a verification. After the verification, it was found that the plot which we have assessed earlier, that was not the plot. Some other plot was acquired, which is a government land. Accordingly, we have reassessed, GRAT values were reassessed. Accordingly, we have directed the
bank authority to freeze the account so that he cannot disburse the amount which we have already given him to by way of a check.
Okay.
So accordingly, we have reassessed the amount and we have requested him to return back the check. But he is not depositing that check to the bank also. Accordingly, the bank is unable to return us the money.
The
Lord.
check
That
is,
the case.
check is lying with you,
Yes.
but you have not deposited at the bank, is it? And this is, now what is the stage now?
Now, Lordship, it's like,
account
his
has been
account is
frozen.
also freezed. He is not depositing the check. So accordingly, the amount which is already in the account, it cannot be reverted back to the Kala. If he cooperates with us, Lordship, we are recalculating the amount and we will make the payment to him, Lordship. That is the thing, Lordship.
I'm ready, madam.
You cooperate with them.
My
Lordship, that is the
I'm
thing,
ready,
Lordship.
madam. My account has been freezed. I'm an 85 years old man, my lord.
This implement for what?
The person, my lord, respondent number 9. my lord.
Regarding the disbursement of the amount, Lordship, there were some agreements between them, Lordship, but there is no such dispute with the, in this case, Lordship.
Now, who is this Dhanadhar Borua?
My lord, the assessment has been made jointly, my lord.
Jointly by?
Jointly by the authority of the land of the petitioner as well as the respondent number 9.
Respondent number 9 also has a
it's
land.
Not to be, my lord, implemented in this case. That's why, my lord,
Now he's saying that like you cooperate.
My
I
lord,
mean,
my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship may dispose it of.
But how he will cooperate? But what will be the procedure?
Lordship, if your Lordship comes to paragraph 13 of our affidavit.
13 of your affidavit.
Yes. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 7. Respondent number 6 and 7. By name also, Lordship, he has made the circle officer a party.
6 and 7.
The affidavit is filed by the respondent number 7 as well as by the respondent number 6.
4, 5 and 6 I can find.
Lordship can.
Is it
4, 5, 6, Lordship, that will be better, Lordship.
Dr. Priyanka Bania or something?
Yes,
So para, we are saying para?
13. That it, may I read, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
That it deponent begs to state that in WPC number so and so, which they have preferred, Lordship, claim that a part of his land under DAG number 343 of Pata number 22 has been acquired for the above said Assam Mala project, and by the order dated so and so, passed in the said writ petition, this honorable court has directed the respondent authorities therein to take proper assessment of damage this caused to the affected part of the petitioner.
Yes.
As such, the above said joint verification was conducted on so and so date. During the joint verification, it was found out that no part of DAG number 343 of Pata number 22 acquired or used in Assam Mala project. As such, the petitioner is not entitled for land compensation for DAG number 343 of Pata number 22. However, during joint verification, it was further found that a portion of DAG number 340 was used in the above said Assam Mala scheme.
But this does not belong to him. This doesn't belong to him.
It doesn't belong to him. It's a government land.
But that number is a government land, yes.
However, the said land is under the possession of the petitioner. The agriculture department found 13 numbers of betel nut trees, 1 number of coconut tree, pomelo tree, and betel leaves tree. DPWD building department found 35.25 meter boundary chain link fencing in DAG number 340. In fact, the boundary chain link fencing, which was earlier claimed to be in DAG number 343, was actually found to be in DAG number 340. As such, though the petitioner is not entitled for compensation for acquisition of land under 343, as no part of 343 has been used for above said Assam Mala scheme. However, since he is in possession of government land under 340, as such, he is entitled for compensation of Zirat and boundary wall under DAG number 340. Had the petitioner been cooperated by returning the erroneous compensation amount, the matter could have been resolved in the said negotiation process for the corrected DAG and compensation. So this is the case, Lordship.
So how much money was check was given? What was the amount of check given to you?
Amount, Lordship, I am placing it before your Lordship. The amount is 12,60,367.50 paisa. I am placing it the present.
And your bank account is freezed?
Yes, Lord. On our request, Lordship, it was.
Check is page 24 of my report.
If your Lordship go by the first page.
Yes.
With reference to our previous correspondence, this is written to the branch manager, Central Bank of India. This is to kind request the current status of the bank account of Sri Ganeshwar Deka,
The account was initially frozen as per our office letter dated 5/12/2023. Subsequently, a request for unfreezing the same account was communicated through our office letter dated 29/1/2024. We request you to provide a detailed status report of the account indicating whether the instructions to unfreeze the account have been implemented, and if so, please share the reason also. Then Lordship may come to the next page. That is the letter of 5/12/2023. That is the first letter indicated in the letter, the first page. This is to the branch manager, which subject. I have the honor to inform you that a check has been issued by the Secretary Kala BTC Kokrajhar bearing check number 62 against the compensation of land acquired by the government of Assam for the project of so and so in the name of the recipient, Sri Ganeswar Deka. This is to bring to your notice that I, on behalf of Kala BTC Kokrajhar, being the negotiating party between the first party and second party, received a complaint petition from so and so, and upon enquiring, it is known that a check bearing check number 62 with wrong amount has been mistakenly issued in the name of Ganeswar Deka. Hence, you are kindly requested to put a hold on the realization of the check. So this is the next page is 29/1/2024. This is regarding the unfreezing. Then third page is important. This is a letter from the Central Bank of India to the circle officer. With reference to your letter number so and so, we have already put an hold to the Ganeswar Deka's account number so and so and amount of rupees so and so. But with reference to your letter number so and so, requesting for unfreezing the account, reverting back the amount, we are unable to revert the amount to your office as the party has not given his consent for reverting of amount. So because of this, Lordship,
the reverting of amount means with he has deposited the check.
No.
the amount is already been given to the Central Bank of India.
How? He hasn't deposited the check as yet.
No, man.
Then
If we
Hello, what happened? He lost
also
it
we
only
could not
period, my
unfreeze
lord.
it as per the previous letter. So and so.
then he has to return back the check, Lordship. That will also do. Lordship. But we have calculated the as
Zerat
per the
amount
present
and all.
verification, Lordship.
The Zerat amount and all, and whatever the
Yes,
damage
whatever
we
the
have-
amount he is entitled to, he will get it. And if he is not satisfied with that amount, he can only again.
Lordship kindly page 16, my lord, the annex of 1.
Page
Page 16, my lord.
16.
Yes.
16.
The last column, my lord.
Yes.
Still compensation start, my lord. Treasury list, my lord. Column, last column, my lord. We have DAG number 404, Pata number 22. The amount is, my lord, 12,60,367 rupees, my lord. Nowhere in the affidavit it has been said that this statement is wrongly prepared. And
No.
there are two affidavits, one filed by
No,
Kaveri.
are you disputing whatever he is saying?
My lord,
Huh?
this amount is totally belong to the petitioner, man.
That is an internal arrangement
Then
between
how it is it belongs to you? Whether your land has been acquired?
As per the, my lord, this list, my
No,
lord.
no,
Yes,
forget
my
about
lord.
this.
Land has been acquired.
No,
404.
they have admitted it that there was a different land.
My lord.
Your land was not acquired. There was a different
My
land
land
which
has
they
been
have
acquired.
acquired.
This is 404 DAG number, my lord, Pata number 22. The Bhuya Khan
Then
under
are
the-
you disputing that what he is saying?
My lord, I'm
Then
disputing.
why we are hearing him then for such a long time?
My lord, he has submitted, my lord. My file has.
No, I mean, you said that initially you said it can be disposed of.
It can
I'll
be disposed
cooperate.
of.
I'll cooperate.
It can be disposed of without, my lord, impleting the respondent number 9, my lord. I'm saying that.
I mean, this
There
court,
are two affidavits been filed by-
this court was thinking
My lord.
that this matter can be disposed of
My lord,
with some direction of cooperation by you with the department.
I'm ready to cooperate. My bank account, my lord, has been.
No,
freezed,
that
my
is
lord.
what
I'm a pensioner.
you have said. Now you are saying that this is what he is submitting. You are disputing it. Then you are saying that money is yours.
My money, my lord. And there are two affidavits filed by the respondents, my lord. One is by the cycle officer and another is by the ADC and all, my lord. They are disputing their own.
And why we have heard for such a long time? If you are saying that what Mr. Sharma is submitting is not
And the
Eh,
lordship kindly peruse, my lord, page 25, the deed of agreement, my lord. It is signed by the circle officer.
So you are not pressing this IA?
I'm pressing it, my.
Hmm?
I'm pressing it, my.
Then lordship, let it be. Let the bank account be frozen like that.
So it is IA you are pressing it or not? You are saying now you have
If
stated
your
that
lordship, my lord.
you have
ready to-
said that like this cannot be, this can be disposed of without him.
My lord.
Now you are saying again you are pressing it.
Only on the ground, page 25 of the, my lord, read petition, my lord. Yes,
Hey, you are confusing Mr. Saikia.
my lord.
I mean, just now you have stated that like, I mean, without implementing him also, we can go ahead with this.
That's why
Then whether you are pressing this IA or not,
I'm not pressing, my lord.
that's what I'm asking.
My lord.
If you want to pray, I mean, if you want to press it that you want this person to be implemented, then we'll have to hear them also whether he's necessary party or not.
I'm not pressing.
Then lordship may fix it on Tuesday or Thursday, lordship, for final disposal.
In
By
view of-
disposing this IA to.
In this, like this IA, IA 528-225, heard Mr. PJ Sakia, the learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate for the respondents. This IA is dismissed on withdrawal. We are withdrawing it. This dismissed on withdrawal. And this writ petition, the writ petition, when the writ petition, main writ petition you write, let the matter be fixed on
28, lordship.
on
If-
28.
If not inconvenient to your lordship, 28 Tuesday,
28.
May not be 28, my lord. Or
When?
27.
then 30.
Yes, my lord.
Thursday,
30.
Yes.
lordship.
Okay, so let the matter be fixed on 30th.
Matsud,
Obliged.
may I get that, lordship?
Just come back in
Lordship,
5 minutes.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this petition seeks transfer of two prisoners from district jail Morigaon to Imphal. Only one aspect that though Manipur is a party, they have not entered appearance. On the other hand, there is a communication directly from the Inspector General Manipur that has been addressed to the registry.
Yes, my lord, we have communicated with the Home Department, my lord, for their approval, my lord. But we have yet to receive instruction from the Home Department, my lord. So some time may be granted. Lordship may pay.
What is your ground for transfer?
Lordship, two aspects. Firstly, both of them are natives of Manipur. One of them is suffering from HIV. And because of the ethnic conflict in Manipur, their families have been displaced. As a result, they have lost complete touch with them, and it is impossible for them to travel to Assam. Otherwise, the sentences are also fairly long, lordship, 14 years. So for that reason, they've sought transfer. And transfer was sought in 2024, January 2024. If this is covered by the transfer of prisoners like
Mr. Chetia, you have written in 2025, January
yes.
6th,
Yes, my lord.
and you are yet to receive any instructions.
Yes, my lord. It is after 2 weeks, my lord, we will obtain instruction from the Home Department, my lord, what they have done, my lord.
Okay, let them have their instructions.
let's pray for a day.
Heard Mr. Atria, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. M. Chetia, the learned government advocate, appearing for the respondent state. Mr. Chetia raised for 2 weeks time to complete his instructions. 2 weeks time is allowed. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship may give a fixed date.
After 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Ouch.
Communication to Vidma.
Lordship. In this case, Lordship, affidavit in opposition already filed by both the parties, private respondent as well as government, and we have filed reply also. Lordship will take it up for final disposal.
We'll fix it for hearing.
Short date.
Huh?
Short date.
Okay, I heard Mr.
Lordship, the dispute
as
is regarding.
both the parties are duly represented by their respective counsel. Pleadings are complete in the matter. Let the matter be listed for admission hearing in the usual course.
Interim order there.
Interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date of
Okay.
listing.
Let us see the last order passed by this court. Last order was passed on last 24/9/2025. Now, there are two things in this case, my lord. Either, my lord, they grant me extension under 8B or they refund the money back to me. Because this is a settlement, is a fishery settlement for 3 years only. Because there was a lot of dispute in this fishery. They attempted to float NIT, but they could not do it. What reflects in the settlement of it? Settlement order. They said for temporary daily basis, it has been given for a period of 3 years. So we accepted 3 years. 11 lakhs has been deposited. It is for 3 years. And there is an order where they have to hand over the possession. But in the meantime, they could not hand over the possession to us. It's an admitted position. Now, there is some suit which has been filed between two parties. Some encroachment was there. They said, no, it is my area. We said that that's a already different
Suit
part.
filed by whom?
Suit filed by one of the private party, claiming that one portion of this fishery belongs to him. You are saying no. That's a separate issue.
You also
altogether.
party there.
We are a party. Now, what I am on, that if you are not granting me an extension, in the meantime, my period was for a period of 3 years.
Your period is
We
over
started
already.
over in 2025. I represented the matter before them, and we said there is a provision for extension under the fishery rules 8B, because you could not hand over the possession one. So if you could not hand over the possession, my money is lying with you. So you give an extension to me. Under 8B, under the fishery rules, there is a
So
provision.
that hasn't been given.
No extension. If you can't give me extension, then refund the money back to me, which is lying to them. 11 lakhs. That's what we are asking for.
Lordship, we will file affidavit by next occasion. Kindly grant us 2 weeks of time.
No, you have already taken, I don't know how many times.
On that occasion, my senior was unwell. He was suffering from stroke, Lordship.
Why not, I can let them take 2 weeks time, but they should indicate in their affidavit.
So it's a
stating that
simple thing, right?
Yes.
It's a simple thing. Either you give extension, or if you have some issues, you cannot give extension, then refund the money that has been paid to you, paid
No,
to you.
we have annexed those receipt also.
Hmm.
It is simple, my lord. Either you refund the amount or you grant me extension under 8B. That's all. These 2 points they have to cover up in their affidavit.
Okay, you file an affidavit, otherwise we'll pass an order. So I will pass an order. Heard Mr. D. Das, the learned senior counsel, assisted by S. Count, the learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard
He does.
the learned counsel, appearing on behalf of, you are standing counsel. You are appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Sharma. P. Sharma, the learned standing counsel for Fisheries Department. Fisheries Department? Fisheries Department. R.S. M.S. Chaudhary, appearing for
7. Lordship.
respondent number 7. Ms. Das prays for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the instant case. Full stop. Last opportunity is given to Ms. Das last opportunity is given to the Fisheries Department to file an affidavit in the instant case. In the event of non-filing of any affidavit, the matter will be heard without the affidavit and necessary orders will be passed. Let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
Yes, repeal.
You file an affidavit within 2 weeks. You clarify your stand, whatever, otherwise we'll pass an order because his money is lying there.
Repeal.
20 and 21.
Both these matters are analogous, no? In item number 20, it challenge the cancellation of petition writer, but till then, no affidavit has been filed, come forward from the.
In item number 21, we have filed affidavit, my lord.
That
21.
the document which was annexed, that has been challenged in item number 20, the cancellation.
Okay.
So it's required, their affidavit is necessary.
So 20, item number 21, you filed an affidavit, you have filed an affidavit.
21, we have filed an affidavit.
21, you have filed an affidavit.
Yes.
And in the item number,
20, my lord, subsequently this.
Secondly, you have,
We filed the item number 20, challenging the document which is annexed.
which has
the
been
affidavit.
annexed in, okay. Heard Mr. Goswami, E.K. Goswami, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. M. Chetia, the learned government advocate for the respondents. Mr. M. Chetia submits praise for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the instant case. Time is allowed, let the matter be fixed after 3
4
weeks.
weeks, my lord.
After 3 weeks, after 3 weeks.
A specific date, maybe,
After 3 weeks on, let the matter be fixed on 28th of May, 28.
Yes.
Both the matters, no? Both the matters fixed. Listen, the other item number, item number 20, affidavit will be filed. Item number 21, you don't write about affidavit, they already filed. Item number
22, my lord.
22.
The admitted amount of the bill of the petitioner, 3,52,000, my lord, something. And that has been admitted by their affidavit, my lord. Your lordship, kindly come to the para 9 of their affidavit, my lord.
Perhaps the affidavit is not there in record.
So, my lord, on that basis, that can be disposed.
Affidavit is not there. Good evening.
That is the affidavit.
When did you file the affidavit?
Yesterday, lordship.
Yesterday.
Yes, lordship.
They've admitted the amount.
Yes, my lord, that is the affidavit, my lord. Your lordship, kindly para 9, my lord.
Do that.
Para 9, last part.
What is this? Instruction?
Plus the instruction from the agriculture department, from director.
So it has been admitted.
That's it.
Amount has been admitted.
My lord,
And this affidavit filed by whom?
Respondent 4 and 5.
respondent number 4 and 5, C is appealing for respondent number 3. Respondent number 4 and 5 has floated the tender. And similar matter where 1 crore something, my lord, money has already been paid, my lord. I have annexed that order also, page 42 of the report. Para 9 of my petition, I have my lord stated that balance among these 3 lakhs, para 10 also, my lord. Para 3 lakhs 52,000, my lord. 40, this has been admitted in para 9 also, my lord. And similar order is also available, my lord. Page 42 of the requisition.
So how much time will require to, we'll do one thing, we'll dispose of this matter.
Maybe.
Affidavit, we'll keep this affidavit as an affidavit that you have filed, right?
Lots.
Please fill up the paragraphs in the affidavit.
Sure.
Just now, fill up the paragraphs in the. And also the filing date, you just write it here, filing date. It is there.
Lordship, I'll file.
You put that dates only, dates. Para 9.
Yes, Lord. Para 9 of the, may I read, my lord? Of the
1 second, you don't. What was the amount? 3 lakhs? 3,52,000.
991. 3,52,991. That amount is in there. Page 50, last part, my lord. Just before para 10. And similar order I annex my.
Heard Mr. N.N.B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Your name, please?
MM Zaman.
M.M. Jaman for?
For respondent 4 and 5, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Samaria.
Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Chamaria, the learned standing counsel for Agriculture Department.
No, Lordship, Seed Corporation.
Seed Corporation.
Assam Seed.
Assam Seed Corporation of India. And MS
G Bora,
G. Bora for?
Agriculture Department, Standing Council.
Agriculture.
Number 1, 3, 6 and 7, Lordship.
1, 2, the case of the petitioner is that the petitioner has supplied he supplied hybrid vegetable seeds, hybrid vegetable seeds, seeds of certain crops like cauliflower, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, chili in various quantities, to the Assam Seeds Corporation Limited.
Assam
Seed Corporation Limited, Jorhat.
Everything is a page 26. If you also go, everything has been mentioned, my lord.
Page 26.
Yes, my lord.
No, I just need the
Yes, ma'am.
whatever you have supplied. To the Seeds Corporation of India, right?
Yes, my lord. Assam Seed Corporation.
Assam Seed Corporation of India. Assam Seed Corporation. Assam Seed Corporation, Jorhat.
Tender, yes, my lord.
Jorhat.
Tender has been prepared,
Hmm.
and as per tender, I have submitted these goods, my lord.
Hmm.
Other also submitted good, I have annexed the document. That is the scheme.
Okay. Supplied
Tender
so and so. However, the bills for the aforesaid supply was not paid to him in spite of repeated requests made to the concerned authorities. Full stop. An affidavit in opposition has been filed in the instant case. And it is submitted by the learned counsel appearing for respondent number 4 and 5 that an affidavit opposition has already been filed on, yesterday you have filed, no?
Yes.
Filed on 21
1.
4/2026. However, the same is not on record. Therefore, while hearing the matter, he has produced a copy of the affidavit in opposition, which has been kept on record marking X. MSG Bora, the learned standing counsel, appearing for the Agriculture Department, has also submitted a communication issued to her by the Director of Agriculture, Assam, which is marked X, marked Y and kept on record. Full stop. From the affidavit in opposition as well as the communication issued by the Director Agriculture dated 17/3/2026, it is revealed that the amount that is rupees 3,52,991.42 is an admitted amount which is liable to be paid by the aforesaid Assam Seeds Corporation to the petitioner. Full stop. from the communication dated, from the aforesaid communication dated 17/3/2026, it is revealed that the amount revealed, it is revealed that the amount, the sanction of the amount for budget requisition has already has already been made. No, has to be made, in the next, in the present financial year, Full stop. Since the amount is admitted and amount is admitted by the agricultural department as well as Assam Seeds Corporation, this court is of the considered view that this instant writ petition can be disposed of with a direction to the concerned authority, that is the Assam Seed Corporation, Jorhat, to release the aforesaid amount of rupees 3,52,991.42 to the petitioner within a period of how much time will take require?
6 months.
6 months? What 6 months? Rupees 3 lakhs of rupees. How much time?
Big amount has been given, my lord.
How much time? He give a reasonable time, 6 months. I mean, he's a small businessman. But I mean, 3 lakhs of rupees is there. Not 2 months, within a period of 1 month. Within a period of 1 month of passing of this order, the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of the instant order before the concerned authority for the needful, as early as possible. So you please produce. Then you write after receipt of the. I'll put it like this: after receipt of the certified copy, within a period of 1 month, the money shall be released to the petitioner. Earlier I have given that within 1 month of passing that you can cut it. Petitioner is disposed of. Pay 3 lakhs of rupees only. Pay within a month. Okay. Don't keep it pending. Itu correct to lova na. Within a month of first instant order na ho. Certificate copy. Correct to.
Case lordship, they are supposed to file affidavit. But no affidavit has been filed. In fact, lordship, the petitioner was an elected member of an Anshalik Panchayat.
Who is appearing for the respondent? Mr. Das appearing for whom?
My lord, I'm for state respondent, my lord.
Oh, state.
And
DC is to file affidavit, lordship. So state. Apni file kyun bola jai?
This is a covered case, my lord. Because this, it says major remove from Anshalik Panchayat member due to the marriage, my lord. It is prior to the filing of the nomination. There is a covered case, my lord. If your lordship, it's a covered case.
Because of sanctions.
It will be before election. The subsequent event to know. Before election. Let it come up from my lord. Next week, my lord, I'll produce the.
Okay, on the joint prayer of the council appearing for the petition, appearing for the parties, let the matter be listed after a week. After a week, let him produce. If it is a covered case, he'll get relief. Why?
As far as it's a covered case because this child marriage is prior to the election, my lord. It's not a subsequent event, but DC has no role, my lord. Only election petition lies, my lord. His case will be allowed, I think so.
No, lordship, that is not right.
Okay,
Because
let him come, whatever. Let him come with the case. I mean, we'll check that.
case to be explained.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we are the newly engaged counsel in this matter.
So,
Lordship,
Lordship, there's an IA.
Lordship, I have applied, filed an IA for implementing the private parties. on the ground of being necessary parties, Lordship. Actually, the main dispute raised on the land of 145 Dak. So we are the patadars of land 145 Dak. So which is completely suppressed in the writ petition, Lordship. So that's why I want to make the.
So he's saying he is newly engaged. I mean, he needs some time.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
No.
a copy of the IN.
Where, I mean, have you filed wakalatnama?
Yes, Lordship.
When
today
did you
itself.
file wakalatnama?
Today itself, Lordship.
Today itself.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, I will give you.
You serve him a copy and we'll take it up. We'll take it up. I mean, in couple of days.
Yes,
After a
Lordship.
couple of days. Heard, Mr.
G Das.
J.
G Das.
G. Das, the learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. He submits that he has been newly engaged in the matter and has not received the copy of the IA that has been filed by the respondent, by the private respondent. Full stop. Mr. You all are appearing? Mr. H. Sharma appearing for
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Mr. H. Sharma, the additional senior advocate for 235, G. Hazarika for respondent 1, respondent number 1. Let the matter be fixed in the next week.
She service. Much service.
27.
May I please, Lordship? On the last occasion, that is 18 to 2027,
Hmm?
2026, my lord.
Hmm?
The revenue department was direct.
No affidavit filed.
My Lord, some instruction has been.
The instructions, how instructions will help?
And that instruction would be.
My lord, it says that at present the petitioner gets some direction for the release of the admissible benefits. The district administration has already taken necessary steps in compliance with the earlier direction of this honorable court. And the proposal is waiting consideration approval at the government level. Government level, my lord, revenue and rehabilitation department will. Can it come after, my lord, 2 or 3 weeks, my lord? In the meantime, revenue department will come with the exact.
Not petitioner of the river affected people, my lord, nearby the other circle, my lord, the similarly situated other petitioners, they got the all benefits, my lord.
নিরুমিলি বনাই নয় নিরুমিলি বনাই না আপনি আনিব দিয়ক
That's okay, but one after another, this is the second round. I think.
Okay, I heard Mr. So-and-so, the counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. N. Das for
for my lord,
government
1, 3,
advocate.
4, 6, and 7.
1, 4, 3, 6, and 7.
1, 3,
G-
4, 6, 7.
Okay, G. Hazarika for respondent number 2. You are not appearing for the revenue department.
No, my lord. Revenue
You are appearing. Revenue department. You file an affidavit. Hazarika, MS Hazarika prays for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in the instant case. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. You file an affidavit.
Let me fix, my lord.
3 weeks, after 3 weeks.
Petitioner before your lordship is a land holder of the 12 acres of land. Lordship. The GMC.
Affidavit, Mr. Talabdar?
Basically, affidavit by the GMC, but some reports are sought from the circle officer. Lordship, I pay for some time.
Heard Ms. MS So-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. DJ Talabdar, learned senior counsel for the respondent. Mr. Talabdar prays for some time to complete his instructions to file affidavit in the instant case.
Circle officer.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
2 to 9.
Mr. Talabdar, here also no affidavit filed.
Now we are awaiting instruction that I have communicated.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. DJ Talabdar, the learned senior counsel. for the respondent. Mr. Talukder prays for some time to complete his instructions. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Your lordship, I'm praying your lordship, otherwise. it will take a time.
This kind of matter affidavit hasn't come, I mean, we cannot give dates on all the matters. Difficult.
Lordship, matter will possible for finding lordship. In this matter, my lord, I have received instruction, my lord, that regarding consideration of their application for settlement, my lord. If,
What is the instruction?
It is stated that they have not submitted document. Residents of 3 generations have not been found, my lord. That is the reason for rejection. In fact, my lord, as per Annexure 1 notification that has been annexed to the writ petition, my lord, there is a provision for.
I think this can be disposed of.
My lord.
Then
With a
let him
direction-
come.
with a direction to file them appeal, my lord, before the Commissioner Secretary Revenue, as per notification that is annexed in Annexure 1 of the writ petition, my lord. Commissioner? As per citizen status, now that post is rescheduled, my lord.
That
because
this has been rejected for non-filing of certain documents.
certain documents, reason is there, my lord, that.
The reason has been given.
given.
Now they cannot file afresh.
No, that is kindly see that Annexure 1, my lord. There is an OM of the Revenue
Annexure
Department. my lord.
1.
Annexure 1, page 13, my lord. There is a citizen circle at page 17.
17 settlement.
Next step is to, after rejection, they have to file appeal, 3rd column, my lord. Appellate authority, designation of appeal, it's under Right to Public Service Act, my lord, so authorities are defined, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass it over for time being. You call your senior, we'll close this matter. I'm keeping this,
Lordship.
let him come.
What do you want?
Lordship, I'm praying for some time, lordship. Get the instructions.
Heard Mr. LK Bora.
Yes.
LK Bora, Learned Counsel.
Continue.
Huh?
Intent, where maybe continue. Give us the-
I heard Mr. LK Bora, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate for respondents. For all
345.
345 G Hazarika for so and so. Mr. Sharma prays for some time to complete his instruction to file an affidavit in the instant case. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks. Then you write, interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Okay.
May I please?
What here, madam, you, when the matter is called, nobody is there.
Lordship, sincere apologies. We have, this matter was missed from our notice and we did not bring the brief today, Lordship. That's why we were not here. Lordship, may kindly fix this matter some other day.
I thought you are an efficient junior. But how can you miss the files?
Sincere apologies, Lordship. This is not-
Okay, we give them some time. Heard Mr. A to D, the learned, Dr. A to D, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard your name,
R. Hussain, Lordship. R. Hussain.
R. Hussain. MS R. Hussain on behalf of Mr. SCKL, the learned standing counsel for Income Tax Department. On the prayer of MS Hussain, let the matter be listed.
Next week, Lordship, any,
Let the matter be listed in the next week.
your bless, Lordship.
We have been directed to get some instructions, lordship. We have
The
received that.
Assam Mala project
Yes,
again.
lordship, that government land was for implementation of this project, lordship. Some persons were acquiring some government land, lordship, so they were evicted. And that on that government land, Lordship, that project is going to be implemented. And Lordship, the zeroth value, they will get the zeroth value, but we have calculated it. But because of this pendency of this case, we are unable to demolish the building, and because of that, that project is still stalled, Lordship.
You will file an affidavit,
Affidavit has already been filed.
already been filed.
Yes, Lordship.
No, affidavit already filed, yes. No problem. None appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for, though Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate, is present for the respondents. And you read G. Hazarika is also present.
May I make a request, Lordship? On the next date, if he doesn't appear, Lordship, it will be.
He was not appearing earlier also.
Lordship, earlier I have not. Because that whole project is stalled because of this pendency, Lordship.
Then we'll fix it on the next week.
If he fails to appear on that date, Lordship may dispose it of.
Let the matter be fixed on. 29th. 29th we are fixing it.
Much obliged. For final disposal.
Yes. 29th for final disposal.
34 orders. My lord, 6 years has been elapsed, my lord. 6 years has gone. Still, my
Additional,
lord, the order dated 10/11/2018, passed by the Central Court, has not been complied with. Neither, my lord, any affidavit has been filed. And last occasion, my lord, the last order was referring to the fourth order dated so and so. Ian Goswami placed for 3 weeks' time to complete his information as the status of the compliance of the order dated so and so. Past in so and so, whereas allowed. So, my lord, in this way, my lord, contempt goes, my lord, no relief, my lord, nothing. Because, my lord, recently Supreme Court has said only punishment is not the criteria. Even the order should be compliant.
who is appearing? Anybody is appearing in this matter,
P.N.
contempt
Goswami.
matter? Huh?
The P.N. Goswami.
Mr. P.N. Goswami.
My lord, order you will also find at page 9, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord, page 10. Relevant portion of the order dated 10/10/2018, you will also find at page 10, last paragraph. Having regard to the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, the requisition is disposed of by directing the chief engineer PhD to consider the requisition 1/9/2018 filed by the petitioner for making payment of outstanding dues with interest within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of certificate of the order. My lord, interestingly, my lord, similarly situated persons has been paid the interest portion under MSCD Act.
His name is reflected or not?
My lord,
His name is reflected. Heard Mr. R.K. Agarwala, the learned counsel appearing for the petition.
my lord, you are also adjourning the,
We'll give a last opportunity.
my lord, just I have a small prayer, my lord.
We'll have, I mean, we'll
Yes,
give a last
similarly
opportunity.
situated conditions, my lord, circumstances, they have selectively paid the amount of interest under micro, small and my lord, medium industry.
No, I understand your predicament, but only thing is that nobody is appearing. So we'll put
6
it.
years, my lord, not a
Yeah,
matter
I
of
understand.
joke, my lord. Impleading and impleading, my lord, impleading and impleading.
Then you write, though the name of Mr. P. N. Goswami, the learned counsel, has been shown in the cause list. None appeared for the sole respondent.
My lord, there are so many respondents, but he is representing PHE.
However, none appeared for the
Chief
PH,
engineer PHE.
chief engineer. His respondent number?
His respondent number, my lord. I'm coming, my lord.
Respondent 2.
3, my lord.
Respondent number,
In contempt petition, my lord.
the Goswami to appear for whom?
Question, my lord, a direction was given on last occasion by Honorable Justice A.D. Chaudhary that Goswami will assist the court.
Correct. None appeared for the respondents, right? None appeared for the respondents. Full stop. Then you write, Mr. Bhattakur, are you appearing in the matter?
Yes, ma'am. I have some instruction. Can it be fixed on 2, my lord? I just want to take a printout.
We'll fix it at 2, after 2 o'clock, whatever.
Fine.
Let him come with the instructions, whatever is there.
But may I submit, my lord? Let them file an affidavit, my lord. It will be very easy, my lord.
That all.
That we
You file an affidavit then.
Let them file an affidavit.
You receive the instructions?
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Let them file an affidavit.
Okay, then you continue, then only write this thing, then R.K. Agarwal. Then you write Mr. I. Bhattakur appeared on behalf of the PHA department. PHA department, he submits that he has submitted that he has already received some instructions. He has received certain instructions and would like to file an affidavit in the instant case. He prays for 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time is allowed to file an affidavit in the instant case.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Let him file an affidavit.
My lord, otherwise it will not be listed for 3-4 months.
No, it will be. Let the matter be listed on
25th of May after
28th of May. 28th of May.
Oblige yours.
Respondent 6, they have taken steps, but 24, this office note says that already it is completed. Maybe come to admission. Respondent 6, municipal board comes.
Okay, heard Mr.
MJ Bolwa.
MJ Bowa, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard.
Lordship, I'm appearing for BDC, Lordship.
What is your name? What is your name?
N.R. Sharma, Lordship.
Huh?
N.R. Sharma.
N.R. Sharma.
2,
for,
3, and 4, Lordship.
For 2, 3, and 4. So, service is complete in the instant case. Let the matter be listed for admission in usual course.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter relates to forest royalty deduction.
Yes.
However, lordship, if your lordship may produce the last order by a coordinate bench of this honorable court. Lordship, a reference has been made to us contempt series 385 of 2018, which was heard today before court number 10, your lordship. So it was supposedly to be tagged along with that. However, it came before your lordship. And that matter has been fixed for the 3rd of June, your lordship. I kindly pray this matter may come along with that.
Now, there are around, how many matters are there?
Lordship, this is a series of around 10 matters, your lordship.
So 5 are listed here, 6 are listed here.
6 are listed there. The rest of them are were listed before court number 10 today, your lordship.
Court number 10, already they have
Already
it has
heard,
been heard.
and the matter has been fixed for the 3rd of June. Or if this matter is tagged along with it. Similar matters.
All these matters.
All these matters.
My matter is little different. I am appearing for respondent item number 40, my lord.
Hmm?
Item number 40,
Item number 40.
40, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, may kindly peruse my affidavit.
40, 40 years. Now, what is the difference?
My lord, in writ petition, I was not added as a party respondent. First of all, my lord, I have mentioned in my paragraph number 3, page number 52, my lord, kindly peruse.
Who is appearing for the petitioner in this case?
I am for the petitioner, your lordship. Lordship, what had happened prior to the last occasion, when this matter was being heard by Honorable Justice A.D. Chaudhary, his lordship was of the opinion that all of these matters relating to forest royalty could be heard together. And the direction in that very date, the additional advocate general for the forest department has been asked to appear for the respondents, since it relates to forest royalty and there has to be communication between both the departments. Today, when the matter was listed before Honorable Justice D. Borua, what his lordship was, what his lordship had concluded was that all of these matters, if the deduction is done, that is wrong. And if that is the case, they may have the instructions. So his lordship was pleased to fix the matters for the third. And if any deduction-
She says submitting that like in the writ petition,
I
he was not a party.
And also,
Lordship, they were possibly not the incumbents at that point of time.
No.
Communication has been made.
no, wrong.
What is it?
My lord, kindly peruse paragraph number 5 also.
No, who are you? Who are you?
My lord, I am the executive engineer, Deepak Boissa, my lord. In the
Okay, you raise this issue while the matter will be heard there, so you can raise this issue, correct? Heard, Mr.
E. Kashyap, Your Lordship.
E. Kashyap, the learned counsel, you are appearing for all the
bit.
you take it a minute. Yes, appearing for the petitioners and we are for
the respondent number 1.
for respondent all the matters.
Yes, sir.
Respondent number 1, all the matters, and MS
M. Das, my lord.
M Das for
Respondent number, my lord, I am for Deepak Boissa.
you right.
Item number 40.
Item number 14 to the number to deliver contempt case number 14 for respondent. Mr. Kashyap submits that similar matter, similar connected matters have already been listed before a ordinate bench of this court, and all those matters have been kept for the hearing on
3rd of June, Your Lordship.
3rd
of June.
On 3rd of June. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, he submits that these matters also to be tagged with the. You have to give the numbers.
Lordship, with contempt case 385 of 2018.
385 of
2018.
2018. In bracket the leading case.
The leading case would be Lordship 163 of 2018. 163 of 2018 would be the leading case.
The 163 of 2018. The leading case. So matters be just like that, the matters will be tagged with all those matters and released before the appropriate bench.
As per official law dated 20 April 24-26, the notice issued to the newly implemented respondent number 4, no ID card or answer notice returned back. Your lordship may direct for placing before the lozima if it is to be
Which note, which note?
20 April.
20th
20.
April, yes. And-
20.
So when did you take, I mean, 11/3?
So matter may be placed before the lozima, your lordship. The postal track record may be placed for report, postal report, whether it is served or not, delivery report, your lordship. The lozima court may decide on the basis of that track report, your lordship.
Let us wait for some time because it was issued only on 11th.
11/3, your lordship, it is more than 1 month.
Correct, correct. I mean,
than one month,
let it be listed after a week, after 2 weeks.
Or,
Then we'll see.
on a fixed date, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
On a
Okay,
fixed-
I heard Mr. Kadir, relevant counsel appearing for the petitioner, also seen the office note dated 24/2026, which reveals the notice on respondent number 4 is notice on respondent number 4 is yet to be served. All right, like this. As per the office note dated 24/2026, no AD card or answer notice has been received back. Let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
Long pending contempt, my lord. Long pending contempt, my lord, 2000, my lord.
Okay, let the matter be fixed on 20th. 20.
20.
20th May.
My lord, in the meantime, my registry may, my lord, place the track report, my lord, of the.
No, I mean, let it be fixed on 20th. Let's see, let's wait for this. I mean, not much time has. Next date, we'll see what is to be.
44. Lord, in this case, the order has already been complied with. The direction to pay in victim compensation, my lord. We have filed an affidavit of compliance for the respondent number 2, my lord.
Already paid?
Already paid, my lord. 2024 itself it was paid, my lord.
You are appearing for whom?
For the respondent number 2, my lord. Contemnant number 2, my lord. DLSS Secretary of the Dorong, my lord. There was a direction by this honorable court to pay victim compensation.
But you have already received that?
We have received that, my lord, and the amount has already been paid to the petitioner, my lord.
Petitioner.
Pages 40 and 41.
You have filed an affidavit. Where is that page?
My lord will find it at page 40 and 45, 41 of the affidavit, my lord.
Okay, none appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. However, Mr. S. Nawaz is present for respondent number 2.
2, my lord.
Respondent number 2. He submits that an affidavit has already been filed to the effect that compliance with the order dated. Which was the order?
Order dated, my lord, 15/11/2023. Your lordship will find it at
15/11/2023.
15/11/2023.
He has referred to the affidavit filed on he has referred to the annexer G and
F and G, my lord.
annexer F and G of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2. In view of the aforesaid, the instant contempt petition is closed and disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged.
45.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
That is your lordship.
No, state's supposed to file affidavit.
Hmm?
State's supposed to file affidavit.
Yes.
So for the
Affidavit-
order dated 7.
I think affidavit is
Yeah.
filed.
One affidavit has already been filed. Lord.
One affidavit has already been filed. I mean, you have filed a reply also.
Yes, after that, 7.
After that, was there any subsequent development?
Yes, 7-1 order.
7/1,
Yes,
7/1 of 2026.
yes. Yes, Lord.
SS Limited is, you are representing SS Limited? No.
I am representing.
What has happened?
Lordship, kindly see the affidavit filed by the respondent number 1.
No, earlier order says, it was granted to Bechamari SS Limited. Hmm,
Allotted to Besamari assessment.
correct. Mr. Sharma, how it is linked?
Lordship.
How it is linked, Bechamari SS Limited has not approached converting the land periodic patta. Therefore, allotment is incomplete.
Yes, Lordship, on the basis of that instructions, Lordship, may I read, Lordship, the instructions?
Hmm.
However, the Besamari SS Limited has not applied for converting the land to periodic patta.
Hmm.
Hence, the land is still a government land as per records. In this
Hmm.
regard, report received from the circle officer, King Revenue Circle under is enclosed therein.
But what was his case? I mean, what was the direction? What was the direction?
Lordship, so far Besamari Samavai Samiti's land
Hmm.
is concerned, that land, so far allegation is that we are encroaching their land.
Correct.
But their name has been shown in the Sita copy, Lordship. Their name has already been shown and it is already settled.
Hmm.
So for the last order dated 20/2/2026, your Lordship,
Now, why the matter has come in orders?
they are supposed to file instructions.
No amended cost title has been filed. Have you filed any amended cost title?
Oh, my lord, yeah.
No, was there any amended cost title was to be filed? Including respondent 4 and 5, who are respondent 4 and 5?
Besamari
Besamari Samavai Samiti, and it was
No,
actually
correct,
not
correct, no,
completed.
the-
Actually, it was not completed.
No, there was an order for amendment, right?
Yes, yes.
4 and 5, you have amended them, whether cost title has been filed.
No.
The amended cost title you have to file. They are appearing, that is fine, but it is not on record, that they have come on record. You'll have to file an amended cost title.
They're
Right,
they're-
heard,
they-
Mr. Are you filing amended cost title?
Yes,
Heard, Mr.? Your name, please?
and Talukdar.
So and so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate. For respondent number 2 and 3.
Lordship,
2 and 3 and G. Hazarika for respondent number 1, Mr.
NI Khan
N.I. Khan.
for respondent number 4 and 5.
But they have not filed amended cost title as yet.
13%.
Okay, we don't write anything. You write, the office note dated 26/3/2026 reveals that amended cost title impleading the respondent number 4 and 5 is yet to be filed by the petitioner. 1 week time is granted to the petitioner to file the amended cost title. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. You file amended cost title.
Lodge.
Okay.
Lord, this contempt petition, the sole respondent has been served.
Okay, heard Mr. A. Somo, the learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard.
Also, we have received the wakalat number today
You are appearing for the sole contempt now.
on behalf of Dinath. On behalf of Dinath.
On behalf of?
Dinath.
Okay. MS so on behalf of Dinath, representing the contemner. Service is complete, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship,
After 2 weeks.
it
after
was
2
fix a date, my lord.
Date, then it will go a little bit later. Let it be on 21st of May.
May,
Let the matter be fixed on 21st of May.
22nd of May, he says. Before 20? Before 21st of May? Just tell a date. 12th of May. he said. 12th of May.
12th of May is not possible. Now, what is the problem on 21st?
We have matters. Pardon me.
We may be having matter, let the matter be fixed on 21st. That doesn't matter, there may be hundreds of matters.
Problem.
I apologize, Lordship. So far, item 45 is concerned, there is a status quo order. Let it be.
Okay, status quo order so passed earlier shall continue till the next day of list.
Deeply obliged.
What is this IF4?
My lord, my lord, for status quo ante, my lord, here, what happened, they violated the court's order, my lord, status quo order, and made construction, my lord, the pillar has been, if your lordship.
There was an order of status quo, why it is violated?
My lord, who violated, my lord? That is the question, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, there is a civil dispute between the petitioner and the private persons, my lord. There is a Mandir, my lord. Mandir committee is there. Committee constructed certain things, but the committee is not made a party. Earlier, the petitioner, my lord, I have the document, lordship, and look into it, my lord. Civil court order, petitioner approached the civil court, petitioner earlier approached the high court. Those things are not incorporated in the petition, my lord. These are the order, my lord, in 1999, and there is a civil dispute going on between the petitioner and the Mandir committee, my lord. And the earlier high court order is also there. So I want to bring it on record.
Then you do one thing, you file an affidavit.
My lord, I'll bring it on record.
I'll issue a notice on this.
My lord.
Let him file an affidavit. Heard Mrs. G.N. Sahewala, the learned senior counsel, assisted by S.K. Sharma, the learned counsel, appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mrs. J. Chutia, the learned, you are appearing for?
Standing counsel case.
Case, no, standing counsel KSC, and Mr. N. Das for?
2 and 4, madam.
2 and 4. She's from, let notice be issued, returnable in
3 weeks, my lord.
returnable in 3 weeks, returnable in 3 weeks.
Yes, it party.
Since all the parties, since all the respondents are duly represented.
But my God,
Anybody is appearing for two,
I'm appearing for 3 and 4, my lord.
3 and 4.
But the revenue matter is under the jurisdiction of my lord, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, but the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is not made a party. We'll take that in the affidavit, my lord. I'm appearing for 3 and 5,
3 and 5.
my lord.
And who's appearing for 4? Mr. Das. Das is appearing for 4 and 2?
2 and 4, madam.
2 and 4. Das is appearing 2 and 4. And also all the respondents are represented. Since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice is required to be sent. However, requisite number of extra copies to be served on the council appearing for the respondents. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, date petition allowed the interim order is to continue, my lord, because
That will be there, that will be there. The interim order passed in the connected with petition shall continue till the next date. If there is any more violations, you bring on record. This you can take, Mr. Chutia, this one, you can keep. Service complete?
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, write down the both parties are duly represented. Office note dated 8/4/2026 reveals that service of notice on upon respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 7 is complete.
2, 3, 4,
Complete.
6, 7.
2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. 2, 4, 6, and 7 are complete. Let the matter be listed for admission hearing in usual course.
Hello. There was a direction by this honorable court to file my affidavit by 10th of April. 10 being in holiday, so we have filed on 28th after the reopening of,
You have already filed it.
we have filed it.
We have received
on
a
28th.
copy.
I,
And so far as respondent number 7 is concerned, I think the service. Repairing.
Restaurant number 7, it's complete.
Complete because speed post.
Yes, it's complete.
He says appearing for respondent.
Right, Mr. Heard Mr. D.P. Bora, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Singh, B.K. Singh, the learned counsel appearing for respondent number?
From 2 to 6.
Huh?
Respondent number 2 to 6.
2 to 6, respondent number 2 to 6. Office note, then you write, office note dated
Says
8/4/2026 reveals that service upon respondent number 7 is complete. Full stop. And an affidavit in opposition has already been filed by respondent numbers 2 to 6. 2 to 6. Let the matter be listed for admission hearing in usual course.
Lordship, interim order pass.
Interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
My name BK.
BK Singh,
Applied-
I remember your name. Don't worry.
Made please, Lordship.
Affidavit of Dusty you have not filed
I filed today only, my lord.
today.
I have filed.
Okay, the learned counsel, right, so and so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he has filed the affidavit, affidavit in proof of service of Dusty, service of notice by Dusty mode on respondent number 6 today itself, full stop. However, the same is not on record. In view of the filing of the
Well, I appear for respondent 6 today, man.
you are appearing for respondent number 6.
6, yes. We have filed call
Okay,
number
okay,
today.
complete, कर दो, service is complete in the matter. Mr.
R. Chakraborty.
R. Chakraborty appears for respondent number 6. You are appearing
2 to 5, Lordship.
2 to 5. MS so and so.
And
Okay. N. Kakoti appears for respondent number 2 to 5. Let the matter be listed for admission hearing in usual course.
Can take up, it is for consideration interim prayer matter, it is for consideration of interim prayer matter, can be taken on Monday. Because the bank
Monday.
account has been freezed, my lord. Bank account has been freezed by income tax department, my lord.
What?
Bank account has been freezed by income tax department, my lord,
Hmm.
without serving a notice to us, my lord.
Hmm.
It was fixed for
No,
consideration.
you have served Dusty
My lord, served Dusty.
affidavit today only, that is not on record.
Sorry,
as
my
we
lord, on Monday. permit-
No, Monday, no.
Any
Monday.
day next week, lordship.
Next week, let the matter be listed in next week.
Deeply obliged.
I'll file a reply, Lordship. There, I could not.
Okay, so if it is on record, that's fine, not a problem. You have already filed in,
No, no, against the affidavit in opposition.
you
I
have not filed.
We have not filed. We have received on 28th only.
Okay, you write, the Mr. Bora submits that he has received the affidavit in opposition in the instant case and he would like to file an affidavit in reply to the aforesaid affidavit. Full stop. He prays for 2 weeks' time. Was there any date given?
No, Lord.
Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks then.
Yes,
Okay.
deeply. 55.
Service report in respect number 8 is awaited, my lord. Notice was issued only on 24, my lord.
So we'll wait for some more time.
My lord.
It was issued only on 27/3.
Yeah.
Heard Mr. D. Ulla, the learned
Interim be continued.
D. Ulla, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. J. Chutia, the learned standing counsel for KAAC. You are also appearing. G. Hazarika for respondent number 1. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Interim be continued.
Interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
10:30.
30 a respondent
I'm sorry, my lord, it was called, I was not there.
no problem.
Your lordship, here in this case, my lord.
No, here, I mean, see, I mean, there is an instruction they have received.
My lord,
What they are saying is that certain documents were not submitted by you. Because of that, it was rejected. So there are, as per the office notification,
that
office,
our petition for settlement was rejected.
it
That
was
is-
rejected because certain documents were not given by you. So now what is they are saying is that there is a.
But, what, on instruction, what has been submitted by learned friend, my lord, let them place in record, my lord.
No, there is that they have given it already.
Affidavit, my lord.
No, affidavit is not required. I mean, affidavit is not required. I mean, I'll keep it on record.
My lord, thing is this, my lord, my prayer, subject to correction by your lordship, my prayer is rejected. I applied for by notification 11/11/2022. That application has been rejected, my lord. So, my lord, they rejected, let them file by affidavit, my lord.
No. See, there is a statutory, I mean, there is a provision for appeal. So, I mean, you appeal, you go for the appeal, and if nothing happens, then you come. Now, why you are coming here?
No, my lord, regarding rejection, my lord.
Correct. I mean, they have rejection. They have given this document.
My lord.
What else you want? They will only say it has been rejected because there are some documents you haven't submitted. But there is a provision for appeal. So you can go approach this authority.
My lord, revision for appeal under Assam Land Revenue Regulation, my lord.
No, that is for office OM, lecture 1 to your repetition.
You see there designation of appellate authority. So so you have applied before Deputy Commissioner, right?
My lord.
Deputy Commissioner has rejected it. So there is a provision for approaching the appellate authority, which is Commissioner and Secretary Revenue Department. So you'll have to approach there, because only thing is I say their ground of rejection is non-supplicable.
My lord, your lordship will bear 1 minute with me.
Yes. No scheduled land duct numbers are mentioned, so cannot clarify it.
Whereas, my lord, there is a government in para 2 of the repetition, my lord. Whereas he is describing that the land respective possession of the petitioners are described in detail in schedule A to Z respectively of this repetition.
Your lordship would be pleased to say page 18.
Don't find any schedule
My
of
lord,
particular
your
land
lordship.
parcels, my lord.
Your lordship would be pleased to say page 18.
Page
18.
18.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Acknowledgement of application, my lord. What we have submitted.
Correct.
Your application for settlement of Khash land, ceiling surplus land has been submitted successfully on center. Please use this acknowledgement number for tracking the application and for any future communication related to this.
No, that is an acknowledgement. That is correct. No, they are not denying that you have not submitted.
Regarding this appeal provision, my lord, if application has been accepted by the Revenue Disaster Management Department, the service shall be provided within 300 days.
Correct.
You may raise an appeal. You may raise an appeal at so and so if service is not delivered. That is the provision, my lord. Rejection, I can file appeal. That provision is not there.
No, that provision is not the, no, that is only an acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, all provision will not be given, but there is a charter given here.
That is why, my lord, that appeal provision, where it is provided.
That
This
is,
Assam Land Revenue Regulation or under.
no, this is annexer 17 is annexed by whom?
My lord.
OM.
Huh?
It guided by the OM, annexure 1, my lord.
There is part of the annexer OM. You see the OM.
Because this application.
Your lordship referred to page.
Acknowledged under.
No,
this
see,
ordinance.
like
Under the
you
74
refer to page 13. Come to page 13.
13, my lord.
The notification is there.
13,
Correct.
my lord.
Notification, eligibility criteria, designation, all these things has been given. Now this is annexer 5. That is your document.
Annexer 1, my lord.
No, annexer 1, then page 17.
Page 17 schedule, citizens.
The schedule is given, the citizen charter.
17.
That is your document only, Mr. Khan. That is your document.
So, my lord, in that case, my lord, thing is this, my lord, my petition is rejected without giving me any.
No, will be, your petition will not be rejected. No, your petition has been rejected by them for certain grounds.
My lord.
Okay. Now, thing is that there is an appellate provision. provision of appeal. So you go there and appeal without appeal being heard, how this court will entertain your petition? We will give you this liberty. You go and appeal, file an appeal.
My lord, if your lordship permit me, my lord, it may come after day after tomorrow, my lord. Let me examine the position of law.
Okay, on the, Mr. But are they, but otherwise there is no nothing.
But
I
that's
mean,
all right,
you can
that's-
appeal.
That's for my satisfaction, my lord. Day after tomorrow.
Unnecessary it will pending. Okay, ma'am, heard Mr. M.A. Khan, the London Council appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Ms. M. Borman, the London Junior Government Advocate for all respondents.
2 and 3.
For two
One
and
is
three, and
pending.
G. Hazarika for respondent one. Respondent number, Mr. Khan, praised for a short accommodation.
Mr. Sheikh, my lord.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Sheikh,
My lord,
M.A. Sheikh, Mr. M.A. Sheikh, seeks for a short accommodation. Short accommodation. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed day after tomorrow. Day after
my lord,
tomorrow.
may I pray for a copy of this instruction, my lord?
We can make a photocopy.
Photocopy?
Give me a copy.
Yes.
You keep it with you,
No, Lord,
then,
that may be kept as part of record for the next day. I'll provide it from my copy.
okay. But then you write, MS Bormon has submitted a communication dated 20th April 2026, issued by the circle officer, Chapar Revenue Circle, Chapar, which is kept on record, marking X.
Lord.
Oblige.
56.
Tomorrow, 56, I'll not take up this matter, so it has to
Kindly
be
the matter may be listed in some other
appropriate bench. Let the matter be listed before an appropriate bench, except me.